Power Seeker Coach, Vicky Boss Whitey. Hello, mega shoutout. Thank you so much, Nasanga TV. Hi, good evening, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Salamat. Thank you. Don't forget to give host thumbs up, okay? Thank you so much, Takla. Thank you, Takla. Thank you. Okay, please drop your link. Please drop your link, okay? Drop your link. Thank you so much. Vicky Boss Whitey, hello. Thank you for thumbs up, host. Give host thumbs up, okay? Thank you so much. Salamat po. Okay, Nightbot is sleeping again. Okay, nagpapanabay si Vicky Boss Whitey. Nightbot is sleeping. Diyos ko, Lord. Okay, Power Seeker Coach. Hello, Vex. Thank you so much. Hi, Vicky Boss Whitey. Okay, connect lang kayo dyan, ha? Connect lang kayo dyan. Hi, Rockets TV! Hello! Hi, ma'am! Hello, Rockets! Salamat, Rockets! Salamat sa pagpunta ngayon. Thank you! Kumusta din, ha? Hi, Radius Boy! Hi, everyone! Yes, if you know you have someone you have not connected yet, you can connect now, okay? So that your bahay will grow. Okay, Dan Harang, thank you! Thank you so much! Okay, Regis Boy, hello! Dong, Langga! Don't forget to give host thumbs up, okay? Dikit, if you have it, dikit. Mingaw man diri, ma'am. Tomorrow pa siguro na daghan, sir. Tomorrow pa siguro na ating sweldo. Basi na busy pa ang mga people, no? Naglinya pa sila mga ATM. Hi, Ed's Kitchen Receives, hello! Ed's Kitchen, hello, you have now a jacket. Thank you so much. Please connect. We have friends in here. Very legit, okay? Invite ni Papa. Wow, thank you! Thank you so much po. Salamat po. Thank you po. My friend po tayo dito. Very legit. Power Seeker Coach, Rockets TV, and the one I pin, Vicky Boss Whitey. Guys, you can connect. Nasanga TV also is here. Okay? You can connect everyone. Thank you so much. Salamat po, Nasanga TV. Thank you, Nasanga. Okay, Rockets TV, Nasanga TV, done. Why music? Okay, sorry. Wala na yung music, so salamat na imo ni si Kuan. Uy, wait sa ka, wait music, kadit lang, no? Thank you pa. Barogon juday Kuan ni, uy, Ginoo ko, Lord. Thank you. Wait for a minute, because I'm, okay, here, thank you. Now, very good, Missy. Religious boy, uy, salamat naman at sayaw ka niyo, uy, music. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Okay, now, music. Okay, now, music already. Sasayaw ka niyo. Maayong gabi, Mama. Alam, Clarissa, hello po. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ed's Kitchen. Okay, Ed's Kitchen. Vicky Boss, full pack po. Wow. Ana, Clarissa, hello, Power Seeker. Thank you all so much. Thank you for coming. Vicky Boss Whitey here. Ed's Kitchen. Love-love natin si Ed's Kitchen. Rockets TV. Hello, Landa Garay. Hi, host. Thumbs up. Hello. Ay, Larum TV host. Shout out host na lang thumbs up host. Wow, thank you naman sa pa-thumbs up. Gaas ko sa live selling ninyo kung mall pull out ba inyong sapatos. Okay. Hindi siya mall pull out. Original talaga yun, ha? Original. Hindi siya mall pull out. Okay, original yan, ha? Hindi din mall pull out, okay? Nasanga TV. Hello, Nasanga TV. Rockets TV. Hello, It's Kitchen TV. Done. Thumbs up. Okay, Okay, Rockats TV, nagbaba ng bahay, lablabin si Rockats. Uso na Sanga TV, okay? Thank you, Larong TV! Hello, thank you! Okay, lablabin po natin ang mga nandito. Diyos ko, Lord. Okay, I'm just gonna fix this one. Host, matagal-tagal na po tayong dikit. Ngayon lang kita nahanap. Wow, thank you, Larong! Salamat naman at nakita tayo dito again. Thank you. Okay, check ko ngayon ha. Okay, si Eds, please, lablabin patamsak po, sabi ni Eds. Okay, connect to Vicky Boss YT. Okay, Vicky Boss YT po, pa-connect and then I'm gonna drop link. Also, I'm gonna pin this one because these are my very supportive friends. Nandito din Radius Boy, Rockats TV. Okay, mag-connect lang kayo dyan. Mag-connect. Madali mo kung giingnan Radius Boy. Bro, kung kalato, sige kong sisayaw. Sige kong sayaw. Wala na yung music. Okay, salamat. Nandang sa coast. Wow, thank you. Nag-atsag ko kung na-size 42. Asag ka nito bag. Tungod sa kapaspas sa mga message, di na ako makita. Sorry. Ito kay message ganihan, no? Di nagi ko kabasa kay mag-pop up na siya. Sabot man sa siguro kakakita mo ka, di ba? Okay, please connect everyone. Papa Girls host, pa-support po kay Mama Eds. Sure, sige po. Mama, asa na yan? Mama Eds. Okay, sige, sure, no worries. Ako na po bahala dito, ha? Ipipin ko si Mama Eds. Okay, guys, Vicky Boss YT, lablabin because we have new pin already. Again, Vicky Boss YT, no worries because legit yan si Vicky Boss YT, ha? Always yan nandito sa ating live. Okay, Eds Kitchen palablabin. Larang TV, Dantam Saksay sa Rockats TV. Wako ka lang taog tarong sa mga sapatos kay wag ipakita og tarong ni Ide. Okay, sige lang. Magsige man lab. Magsige man nag-live akong staff. So, pwede ra kayo na ato silang ingnon, ha? Taga-live nila, ha? Pwede ra kayo mo ingnon, ha? And then, Rockats full pack po, says Ed's Kitchen. Papa Gors, thank you, Papa Gors. Salamat, Papa Gors. Thank you, Papa Gors, at papunta dito. Salamat po. Okay, Radius Boy, also lablabin natin. Okay, Rockats, nandito, Lando Garay, nagbaba ng bahay. Lablabin ko yun. Sino ba yun kanina, no? Si Larum TV. Hello! Na-open mo, gipang-open ako. Salamat, Ri! Okay, wala pa dyan ko. Daghan kay kong message sa akong cellphone. I have too many messages in my cellphone. Wala pa ako nag-open. I haven't opened yet. Because many message. So please up your message, okay? It's very important to up your message. And then, wala pa ako nag-open. Kaya busy kami ganina. Daghan kami gila ko. In fact, pag uko man kaon, nag-live din ko dito. But wala ko nag-reply pa sa mga messages. Alright, let's go! Connect! Dr. Delila Langward. Hello, shoutout host ng Tamsa! Thank you so much! Salamat po. Please connect everybody. We have new friends in here. Ed's Kitchen. Blablabin ko. Puntahan ko bahay mo, Eds, ha? Thank you, Eds. Sa padaan dito, Papa Gor. Salamat po. Ed's Kitchen. Here. Okay, I haven't. Wow! Laki na din bahay ni Ma'am Eds. Ed's Kitchen. Hindi pa tayo dikit. Okay, Ma'am Eds. Tignan ko muna video mo, Ma'am Eds, ha? Bago ko dikitan. And then, yes, power seeker ko, lablabin because very legit also. No worries, no problem. Again, Ed's Kitchen, I'm here in your house, love to you, okay? Ed's Kitchen here in your house, love to you. But before that, I'm gonna view your video first. This is Ed's Kitchen. Subscribe now, diba? Very nice, wow. Okay, Ed's Kitchen, love the beat, guys. This is Ed's Kitchen. Sino man? Hi, Ma'am RG Sumbang Vlog. Hi, Sisi. Good evening. I miss you. God bless. Okay, may bago tayong friends, guys. Ed's Kitchen. Yung nakasabit, lablabin natin si Ed's Kitchen. Nandito din si Lando Garay, Rockats TV. Dan, Laram TV, Rockats TV. Thanks. Wait ka lang, suklian kita. Okay, thank you so much, Ed. Thank you, Radius Boy din, nagbaba ng bahay. Kung magpapinoyhan nyo, kabuhatan lang itong akong example. Okay, Dong. Salamat, Dong, ha? Palitan niya ako sa inyong jersey, ma'am. O, sige, sure. Asa man nato? Papa Gors Vlog, Nasanga TV, dana ako, nagbakas, kalimbang all, says, Papa Gors, Nasanga TV, hello, Nasanga TV, Papa Gors, already connected to you, he said already connected to you, ha? Please return also, okay? And then I'm gonna, lapag, Papa Gors, bahay, please lablabin ang mga binaba ni Nightbot, okay? Hi, Cooking with Sophia! Hello! Hello, tagal na po nag-subscribe sa inyo. Nightbot, good evening. Tagal na po nag-subscribe sa inyo. Okay, Ed's Kitchen ha. Lablabin po. Again, this is Ed's Kitchen, guys. The one I'm pinning, lablabin po. No, laki na din ang bahay. Lablabin natin. Please, lablabin natin, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, jersey. So, Max, okay, sige, ha. Magdala ko din na. Palito na inyong shop, ate. Palito na inyong shop, ate. Oo, gipalit na. Okay, thank you so much, RJ Sumbang Vlog. Nandito, ha. Lablabin po, lablabin. And then, okay, I will pin another one. Very, very supportive friend of mine. So, please, connect Ed's Kitchen. Dito ako kay Ed's. Okay, guys, please connect. Okay, connect the one I pin. Thank you so much, Power Seeker Coach. Lablabin kung hindi pa kayo nakalablab. And don't forget to give host thumbs up, okay? Dikit if you haven't dikit. Radius Boy, thank you, Radius Boy. Very supportive friend. Lando Gray also nandito. Rockets TV. Done. Pabalik na lang po. Cooking with Sophia. Hi, my friend. Cooking with Sophia, nagbaba ng bahay. Also, Lando Gray. Mamaligya dahil mo mini ref. Ate, narami namin nasa old shop sa una. Dili siya mini ref. Daggo siya na ref. Sa una rato, pero wala na may stocks ang mini ref. Sa una ra niya. Ang mga ref lang na mga atong gigamit na mo sa old shop sa una, napaghapon wa panahalin. Pero bag-o to, as in, kanang nagamit siya, pero months ra ba, human ka ni pandemic, no? So again, RJ Sumbang, sabi ni Eds, full back sa'yo, yay! Thank you so much, RG. Also, nagbaba ng bahay. Papa Gors Vlog, Rockets TV, Dan Kalimbang, all na ako, nag-iwan ng bakas. Thank you so much, Papa Gors! Lando Giri, nagbaba ng bahay, lablabin, kabuhok, jello, harang dan, thumbs up, dan, mag-i shout sa Max Fam! Hello. Thank you so much for coming po. Please connect the one I pin, guys, and don't forget to give host thumbs up so that host would be happy also, okay? Dikit if you haven't dikit or subscribe. Thank you so much, Ed's Kitchen. Thank you so much for coming po. Papa Gars, also salamat po. Rockets TV, Lando Gray, Dan, thumbs up. Thank you so much. Take 5 minutes man kayo imong harang tiwa. Thank you. Rockets TV also, nagbaba ng bahay, lablabit, kabuhok. Jello, for those who want to connect me, please leave a comment like this so that I can return her favor to you. And then nagbilin siya ng bakas. The Sniper! Hello, shout out! Papa Gors, thank you so much. Basta ikaw, who's buti, nag-LS ka po. Thank you, Papa Gors. Oo, nag-LS ako. Pero kararating ko lang at 10. Tapos, sabi ko man kasi sa mga friends ko sa group chat na mag-LS ako. Kabuhak! Jello Power Seeker Bro! Magandang shoutout! Cooking with Sophia! Like that! Thank you! Lablabin ha! Okay, nandito si Lando Gray. Lablabin also Lando Gray. Power Seeker Coach. Thank you ho! Salamat sa nag-85 na ako. Wow! Thank you! Hindi pa ako nakalablab sa iyo ha, Eds. Ito pa, harang pa ako, Eds. Rockets TV, so Cooking with Sophia, Dan, thumbs up. Thank you ho, salamat. Thank you, Eds ha. Sipag naman. Papa Gors Vlog, salamat, Papa Gors. Okay, the one I pinning, guys. The one I pinning, Power Seeker Codes. If you haven't connected to Power Seeker Codes, puntahan po si Power Seeker Codes, okay? Papa Gor also nandito, lablabin. Lando Gray nandito din, okay? Mamaya Lando Gray, sasabit din na po si Lando Gray, ha? Kabuhok, Jello, Ma'am Ed's Kitchen! Power Seeker, Lando Gray! don't subscribe. Pakibalik pa. Thank you. Rockats TV also, lablabin po. Lablabin, ha? Si Rockats TV, okay? Salamat po, Rockats TV. Nandito kabuhok. Jello Power Seeker na Master Runner. Kumusta, kapatid? Kabuhok Jello Rockats on the way. Thank you so much, Cooking with Sophia. Thank you, Sophia. Sophia. Okay, again, dito ako kay Ed's Kitchen. Still harang Ed's. Ed's Kitchen, kabuhok. Dati na ako dikit sa'yo. Papa Gors, kabuhok. Jalo, Dan, Kalimbang. Sorry, di na ako nag-iwan ng bakas, idol. Okay. Please connect po to my dear friend, Papa Gors Vlog. Oh, see, we have new pin, Papa Gors. Please connect. Papa Gors, love-lovein si Papa Gors. Okay, Ed's Kitchen. Maglablab na ako sa iyo, Ma'am Eds, ha? Thank you so much, Ma'am Eds. Salamat, Bell all ako sa iyo. Wow, pretty. This is, no? Ed's Kitchen. Wait po, hindi po maklaro, no? Ed's Kitchen. RG, Sumambang Vlog. Also, lablabin. Very pretty also. Okay, this is Ed's Kitchen. Lablabin. Ed's Kitchen. Thank you, Larum TV. Ed's Kitchen. John Dikit Kalimbang. Radius Boy also for those who are new here. We have GC if you want to join. Comment down your FB. Very good. And tell host, oh, very good. Radius Boy. Cooking with Sophia. Nandito si Kakang. Kakang. Sisi, duwala Sisi. Sugurin agad bahay mo mention. Okay, Power Seeker, Landigaray, Sisi, dude, Dan, Tamsak, thank you, Rockats. Okay, I'm gonna drop link. These are my very supportive friends and members also. You connect to them, okay? And the one I'm pinning, guys, that's Papa Gors, very, very supportive also. Please connect to Papa Gors, okay? Because as I've always said, if you want others to support you, you support them, dyan! Kaking, Miss Cooking, resultas, diraran, kaon! Ay, Diyos ko, kawan, kirip, ug supot. Rockats TV, Dan, kanina pa po, pabalik na lang po, says Lando. Okay, Papa Gors Vlog, the one I'm pinning, guys, lablabin po. Please, lablabin, very supportive friend, okay? Connect lang po kayo dyan. Rockats CB also nandito, lablabin si Rockats, lablabin. Okay, mga live streamer, itong ibababa ko, which is very, very supportive ito. So please, lablabin sila. Mostly, ang dodoy, ang hoy, na stress, ang bogan, ug sa mo, at na stress. Radio, thank you. Thank you, Dong Krishna po, Jalo, magamila, shout out. Lando Garay, RG, sumbang link mo po, sabi ni Lando. Okay, Kabuhok Channel, nagbaba ulit ng bye. Power Seeker Coach, thank you so much. Please connect to my dear friend Power Seeker Coach, very supportive. Radius Boy also, nagbaba ng bahay main channel, lablabit, hindi po kayo mabubuda. Alright, Krishna Puja, hello, mega shout out, RG Sumbang Vlog. Please, lablabin si RG, guys. Okay, Ed's Kitchen, dito ako. Lablab na tayo, Okay, salamat. Okay, guys, this is the one I'm pinning, Papa Gors Vlog, okay? Nagla-LS para siya, okay? Puntahan si Papa Gors, guys. Papa Gors Vlog, the one I'm pinning, you love Papa Gors also. Okay, Papa Gors, the one I'm pinning, legit na legit. Main channel yan. Okay, Rockats, thank you, Rockats. Salamat, Rockats. Thank you po. Okay, love, 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 love. Thank you so much, Lando Garay. Salamat. Okay, thank you so much. Salamat po, Lando Garay. Thank you, Lando. God bless. Thank you so much, Lando. Okay, next we have new pin, Lando Garay. Okay, wow, salamat. What a cute mo, host. Thank you, Papa Gors. Again, this is Papa Gors, ha? This is Papa Gors. Papa Gors, nagla-livestream din si Papa Gors. Vlog, lablabin. Legit na legit. Main bahay, kaya lablabin. Hindi kayo mabubudol, okay? Ed's Kitchen also, lablabin nyo po, okay? If you are coming here because you are fishing, then you go to this following person because very legit, I tell you. Di pinuntahan ko bahay, nandito ako sa bahay nila, lablabin, ha? Tamsak ako dito sa LS mo. Okay, we have Landa Garay, lablabin po. Nandito din Radius Boy. RG Sumbang lang, legit na legit sila. No worries, no problem. Rockets TV, hello! Okay, dito po ako sa bahay ni Lando Garay, guys. Ito po si Lando Garay, lablabin po. I'm watching your video, sir, ha? Okay, thank you so much, Power Seeker Coach. If you haven't connected Power Seeker Coach, that's my very supportive friend. Please, love, 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 love. Okay, Radius Boy, when man ka magpadula, ate? Okay, Radius Boy. If wala pa min ng lakaw ganyan, karon ta ko padula. Basin ugma, ha? Ugma ko padula, Radius Boy. Ako ihanda, ha? Ako to sundugon imong gipang ingon, ha? Kundi manawag ko nimo. Manon nimo ang 5 hours LS ni Papa Gors, ate. Ay, hindi. Diyos ko. Para give chance din sa others. Si Papa Gors, don't worry. Always tayo sa support kahit wala siya. Nilagay ko naman siya din sa night boat ko kasi very supportive si Papa Gors. Kaya ako din, magsusupport din ako sa kanya. Fully. Okay? Very supportive si Papa Gors. Kaya ako din magsusupport. RG also, lablabin nyo. If you haven't connected to RG, also very supportive RG. Hello, Kanal Bomdia. Hello, hello, Megalon Shoutout. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Salamat. Again, this is Lando Garay. Lando Garay. Okay, sige, pag whiteboard. Okay, sa 13, Crisan, have a great day, everyone. Hello, hello, sa 13. Thank you so much. All love, love. No skip for love sa YT. Wow, thank you, RG. Yes, ha? RG, very supportive si RG, guys. So, lablabin nyo si RG. Ako na mismo magsabi sa inyo, hindi po kayo mabubudol. You go to RG Sumbang Vlog, okay? Again, this is Papa Gors Vlog. Go to his channel because live streamer also. And then, I'm done with Lando Garay. Lando Garay, already connected na ako sa'yo. Dating dikit na ako sa'yo, ha? And then, bell all. Kaya, dito na lang ako. Mag-thumbs-up na lang ako sa'yo, ha? Harang. Okay, harang. Thank you, Papa Gors. Link mo. Okay, baba ako ang bahay ni Papa Gors, ha? Ito po, bahay ni Papa Gor. Papa Gor, okay. Ate, gawan mong 8-10 ang bahay ko. Maluoy. Pila man yung bahay room. Okay, Lando Garay nandito. Okay, please, please, connect to Lando Garay, the one I'm pinning. Radius Boy also, love din. Power Seeker Coach, RG, Rockets also dito, ha? Okay, guys, if you are new here, don't be shy, okay? Everybody is welcome here, okay? Well, let's make friends. Let's enjoy. Let's talk and connect. 306 na akong bayad, ati, 100. Patay tani. Radius Boy, pwede na ba kakalive? Pag live, bahala nag-silent, ha? Sige na, pag live. Radius Boy! Okay, thank you so much, Radius Boy! Okay, ilagay ko sa night boat yung bahay mo, ha? Dr. Delia Langworth! Hello, magala shoutout, Doctor! Thank you! Connect sa 13 na, Crisan. Welcome to this channel! Thank you, RG! Connect. Sige, pagguhitin na rin yan. Radius Boy, the one pining. Radius Boy, hi host, baka gani. Wait ha. Hi host, baga gani ugnaw, wa na maulaw, so kamupod, ayaw mo kaulaw diri sa balay ni Max Pam. Baga di kong naw. Yes, everyone, let's support, let's grow together. You help me, I help you also, okay? Let's help together, grow together. Thank you so much, the one I pin. Please support the one I pin. Radius Boy, cracking new friend. Okay, I'm pinning new friend already. Radius Boy, love, man. Okay, this is Radius Boy. Okay, Radius Boy, lablabin, Radius Boy. Main bahay, lablabin. Saturnina, Crisan, hello, magandang shoutout po sa iyo, Saturnina. Welcome po. Thank you po. Okay, dito ako sa bahay ni Radius Boy. Larom TV, kanina pa ako subscribe, sabi ni RG. Okay, si Ma'am Larom also magbaba din ang bahay, ma'am, ha? Thank you, ma'am. Rockets TV, nandito din, lablabin, guys, okay? If you want others to support you, you support them too. Thank you so much po. Ate, tinuod ba na nagpa-eye clear watch ni mo ang LSD na lagasan ni Lolo ang banana? Unsa? Ate, okay. Ingon sila, maura po na akong gibuhat, sunod lang sa go, no? Alima amandam sa calls! Thank you po. Again, nandito si Larom TV, Power Seeker Code, salamat po. Okay, sa Tortina, Prisan, Power Seeker, Radius Boy, RG Sumbang Vlog, Lablabin, Rockets TV. Thank you so much, Papa Gore, salamat po. Alina Abang, pa-support host, beautiful, hello, mega shoutout, you are all welcome here po. Okay, RG Sumbang Vlog sa Tornina Prison. Done, subscribe, pabalik lang po. Thank you po. Papa Gors, done, sukli sa hotel mo. Lando Guray, nagbaba ng bahay. Alema Amang, very beautiful host. Wow, thank you so much. Nag-watch clear ko, gakaon Japon na lulo akong, tinuod, no? Actually, kanang sige kong clear, so di na ako babantayan kay normal na dyan ang lagas, sige jug lagas, pero sige kong kanang clear, no? Okay, Little Chef! Hi, Little Chef! Kaya naman, shoutout, nagbaba ng bahay si RG Sumbang Vlog, love, guys! Little Chef also, very supportive friend. Thank you so much, Radius Boy, the one I pinning, love, Radius Boy. Okay, Papa Gore, salamat Lando, sabi ni Papa Gore. Okay, maayong gabi din na sa Putay TV. Hi, may wala siya. Hi, Langga, thank you so much for coming. Salamat po. Papa Gars, may wala siya. Little Chef, yahoo. A4K Donya, hello, may wala shout out to you. How are you, my friend? Thank you so much for coming. Maayong gabi sa Putay TV. Thank you so much. Power Seeker Ed's Kitchen, nagbaba ng bahay. Radius Boy, lablabin po. Si Radius Boy, lablabin po. If hindi pa ko yun naglablab, okay? And then, we have new friends in here. Ed's Kitchen, lablabin din po. Radius Boy, the one I'm pinning, go to the one I'm pinning. So that we can proceed to next and can Nothingham Lifestyle Channel. Hello, mega shout out to you. Thank you so much. Thank you, beautiful Light 19 Honey. Wow, thank you so much. Ed's Kitchen, hello. Okay, love, connect everybody, and don't forget to give host thumbs up, okay? A for Gadunya, may mga shoutout sa Power Seeker. mag-StreamYard ugma ati kay tudluan ta ka ugma para bibo imong LS ugma para dili lang ikaw ang mukanta. Sige be. Sige, okay lang. Tuluin ko. Sige na ha. Di ko kahibaw, no? Rockats also TV. Nagbaba ng bahay. Lablabin natin si Rockats, guys. Lablabin si Rockats. The one ay pining. Sige, tuluin ko, ha? Kay para at least kapahuwaysan ko, okay? You can also teach me how to do StreamYard so that I can also rest here, okay? Because sometimes I go 4 hours so that everybody enjoy and happy and not only me, no? Okay, Rockats TV po. Lablabin si Rockats TV. Rockats TV. Radius Boy, dito pa rin ako sa bahay mo. This is Radius Boy. Main bahay, main channel. Love, man. Radius Boy, Radius Boy. Okay, Nottingham Lifestyle is also here. Lablabin po natin. Okay? And then dito ako, Rockats TV, guys. This is Rockats TV. Diba? This is Rockats TV. Hello, Rockats! Hello, shout out! Okay, RG. Lablabin si RG, ha? Rockats, ito po si Rockats, ha? If you're done with Rockats, you go to the one I pin. Okay, first, focus first on the one I pin and then you can connect with our dear friends, RG Sumbangga, Radius Boy, Saputay TV, Power Seeker Codes. Very, very legit. Little Chef also nandyan, lablabin. Rockats TV, huwag kalimutan the one ay pining Rockats TV. Already connected to you, Rockats, okay? Don't forget to give host thumbs up, Dikit, or subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Okay, thank you so much, Radius Boys. I think I'm happy if I can do StreamYard so that everyone can visit here and then I can also take a risk. RJ Sumbangga, nagbaba ng bahay, Davao Explorer, thumbs up po, ma'am, silent viewers po, God bless po sa inyo. Oh, you're so sweet, thank you so much. Thank you, Davao Explorer, salamat po, thank you so much. Okay, Saputay TV, unahan nyo lang ako. Okay, nagbaba ng bahay, nosebleed ako. Sorry po ha, kasi usually kasi mumupunta dito mga English eh. Ako din, nosebleed ako sarili ko. Thank you, Davao Explorer! Salamat po, salamat. Maraming salamat po for coming here. Okay, the one I pinning, guys, this is Rockats TV. Rockats TV, you go to Rockats TV so that we can proceed to next. We have friends in here. Nandito mga friends natin. A4K Ganya, pin link done. Thank you so much. Okay, si Rockats TV, lablabin si Rockats TV, okay? So that we can proceed to next. Salamat po. Thank you so much. The one I pin, guys, lablabin. And then I'm gonna drop link also because these are my very supportive members and friends, okay? Who support me. That's why I'm gonna support them also. So please, show some love and support. Atena, Yesha Vlogs, Power Seeker, PH, Big Daddy, Val Palmares, also nandito, lablabin na binaba ni Nightboat. Ermin, RB Kakao also, Ermin, okay? Love, support to this following person because very supportive also. Radius Dan, Diki, thank you, Laram TV, salamat. Pababa ng bahay mo, Laram TV. Laram TV, pababa na lang ng bahay mo. Salamat po, The Sniper. Hello, The Sniper. Hello, shoutout. How are you? Isa to raman ang nidikit na ko. Oh, baka manana sila ni mo kay kabantay ka sa gara na adin kay mga daanan, no? O kabantay ka, kuan na ba, old friend na nato, no? Usually old friends. So I think they're already done to you, no? So, Lando Garay, nagbaba ng bahay. So, mauna na, mas mayo natin mga bagong friends para bago na sa nadikit, no? Okay, please, magbaba kayo ng bahay. Lablabin natin ang inyong mga kabahayan dyan. Ibaba ang bahay, wag ang tipan. Okay, done to nothing lifestyle, says Radius Boy Hoy, ni Shai, tamsak dan. Wow, thank you so much pa tamsak. Thank you, Koy ni Shai. Salamat pa. Okay, A4K Donya. Hello, mega shout out to you. Salamat po. Please, connect lang kayo dyan. Rockets TV, this is Rockets TV. Please, baba your bahay. Magbaba lang ng bahay. Anak Clarissa, Madam, dagan kayo pasensya. Dagan kayong salamat. Thank you, ma'am. Walay problema. Ayo din ha, ma'am. Pasensya, mama. Mauras at na to. Atong makuha, no? Thank you, A4K Donya. Nagbaba ng bahay. Okay, lablabin kung sinang nandyan, tapos hindi pa kayo dikit para yung channel nyo mag-grow, ha? And then sa hindi pa po napin natin, please, magbaba na ng bahay para ipin ko kayo, ha? Kasi baka makalimutan ko, please. Okay, magbaba ng bahay sa hindi ko pa napin, guys, para lablabin din natin. Let's give chance to others also, and then let's repeat after, okay? So, Sapot Hi TV, Lando Gary, okay? Power Seeker goes, love, and guys, Rockets TV, done to you, says Miss Maya. Sukli agad dahil yun ang dapat. O, diba? Mga langga, nagbaba ng bahay si Sapot Hi TV. Lablabin po natin, guys. Okay, ipin ko na to. Thank you, kain po. Host, kain po. Thank you. Salamat, Papa Gors. Kumain ako bago ako nag-LS. Kararating ko lang. May lakad ako kanina. Kararating ko lang. Tapos, binaba ko lang. Tapos, kumain agad ako para maka-LS ako. So, ayun. Ha? Thank you, Papa Gors. Thank you. Yes, I already ate my dinner. Thank you so much. Binaba ko lang ga. Yes, bababa ng bahay si Papa Gor. Salamat sa langga sa P. No worries po sa Puthay TV. Done to La Room. Thank you so much, Radius Boy. Okay, Radius Boy already done to you. La Room daw. Done na daw. Okay? Please connect everybody so that your house will get a grow, go, glow. O, diba? Thank you so much sa Puthay TV. The one ay pining puntahe. Mr. Hans TV, hello, mega shout out! Diba, pagkaon man na ang larang sa Cebu? Oo, pagkaon siya. Why man, Radius Boy? Lamian na ba kayo ko ano? Guwapa kay ka lang ka. Thank you so much sa Putay TV. Actually, I'm going connected to you. I go to your house, ha? Wait first, no? I go to your house so that I can view your house also. Okay, sa Putay, hindi pa ako connected sa iyo. From Sikugor, di pa pala ako connected sa iyo. Oh, yes. Laki na din ang bahay niya. Yehey! Okay, harang pa ako. Harang pa ako sa iyo. Okay, mamaya lablabin ko yan. From City Core Island Langga. Little Chef connected to Rockets TV. Okay, just curious kung sa Antos Lubuwa o pungko-pungko ra ako na try diri sa Iligan ate. Oo. Tuslubuwa kuan sa baboy utok ba na niya kuan lami sa na siya no lami sa na siya so search tuslubuwa okay curious dahil siya okay Dr. Delea hello mega shout out okay dito ako kay Power Sticker salamat lang ga bakas lang sabi ni si Saput nandito pa rin, lablabin. Salamat lang ga, bakas lang daw sabi ni Saputhay. I just curious about larang sa ati. Sabaw siya, isda, lami kayo kay. Actually, we have also business ginabutan, pungko-pungko. Yeah, we have meron kaming gustawan na ganyan, pero wala kaming tuslubuwa at larangan kaya kasi palagi na kaming kumakain ng pungko-pungko kaya ganda din kami, naghanap din kami ng mga larang, ganyan. Favorite ko din yan. Hi, Churon Channel. Hello, Max Pao. Thank you so much for coming. Host na beautiful. Pasilip lang ako. Busy ako sa work. Pahirap yaya. Takbo ka dito. Dito takbo ka doon. Please support mo ako. Sure, sige. Magbaba ka lang ng bahay. Alima Abang, hi! Alima Abang, sige. Magbaba ka lang ng bahay. Ha? Sa Puthay TV. Lablabin natin sa Puthay. Lichi Churon Channel. Hello. Yes, love everyone. We have new friends in here. Lichi Churong Channel. Thank you so much. Don't forget to give host thumbs up, okay? Dikit if you haven't dikit or subscribe. So that everybody happy. Rockets connected, says Little Chef. Sa Puthay. Wow, harang pa ako sa Puthay. Dito pa ako sa harang mo. Kanina pa to. O, diba? Daddy John, nababayang bahay. Hello, Daddy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lichi Churong Channel. Welcome. Landa Giri ng baba ng bahay. Lablaben sa Puthay TV. Also, lablaben. Pangalangga. Okay? We have new pin. Sa Puthay TV. Don't forget ha, sa Puthay TV. I'm here. This is sa Puthay TV. Still harang sa Puthay. Okay, the one I pin. Please, love, the one I pin. Love, the one I pin. Thumbs up because he has a premiere. He has a premiere. Vidya family. Hello, Megala Shara. Thank you so much. Love you too, Max Daddy. Jang. Hello, Megala Shara to you. How are you, my friend? Thank you so much for coming. Lando Giray sa Puthay TV. Dan, pabalik na lang ako, sabi ni Lando Giray. Daddy Jang, crush na kita, Maxwell. Thank you so much. Salamat, thank you. Daddy Jang, done, subscribe. Pakibalik po. Okay, hello, Daddy. RG Sumbang vlog already connected to you. Also go to Lando, okay? No, RG already connected to you. Alima Abang, nababa ng bahay. Yan ang bahay ko. Sige, susunod ko yan, ha? Okay, tapos di ko pa napin pala si RJ. Okay, mamaya after this one, after Alima. Ferretim Strength, hi, sis! Also, Little Chef also. Okay, thank you so much, Little Chef, for coming. Ferretim Strength, Max, sis. Hello, may gumala shoutout, sis. How are you, sisi? Rockets TV, Daddy Jang Dan. Thumbs up, says Rockets. Thumbs up, sis. How are you, sis? Thank you so much. Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. A bit busy, but it's okay. Still very happy, no? Thank you so much. Mike TV, thumbs up, Dan. Jacket, thank you so much, Mike. Salamat pa. Vidya family, okay. Lichi Churong Channel, hello. I'm gonna visit your bahay. The one I pin, guys. Please, labin pin. Link done. It says, A for Kidonia. Barber ng Nirvana shirt mo, ati. Okay, love. Okay, this is the house of Lichi Churong Channel. I'm still here watching your videos. I'm gonna connect to you after this one. I'm gonna first watch your videos, okay? Still here in ads. Lichi Churong. Hello. Wait for a minute, okay? So that I connected to you. So that I get updated to you. So, Lichi Channel, guys. Love, you connect to Lee. Please watch, leave comments, and get your turn. Say Spirit Tips Tricks. RCC, very legit also. A for Kidonia. Hi, A for. I'm gonna watch your video after sa Puthay. Sa Puthay here. Love na ako sa'yo sa Puthay. Yes, mag-love lang kayo dyan, ha? Mag-love lang kayo dyan. Okay, guys, this is the one. I'm here. House of Li Chung. Wait. Mr. Lee. Okay, Lee. Here. Lee. Okay, here. Lee Chichurn channel. Already connected. Done. Already connected. Okay, bell all. I'm gonna watch first and I'm gonna thumbs up this one. Okay? Still watching your video. So please, guys, support everyone. Thank you so much, sis. Okay, please support everyone. Okay. Who's pin? Okay, here. Next, no? Sino pang di ko pa na-pin? Please, sabihin nyo lang. Okay? The one I pin, love, Okay, G-Power. Hello, Pero Tips Tricks also, ha? Lando Gray, Dana ako sa'yo, says Zaputhay TV. Okay, thank you. The Sniper Dan Tamsak says Rockets TV. A for Kidonia. Okay, A for Kidonia. I'm gonna go to your house also, na? Okay, this is A for Kidonia. I'm gonna watch first your video, okay? After, I'm gonna also subscribe to you so that we connected. Guys, legit, 100% legit. A for Kidonia. A for Kidonia, here's your house. Okay, and naunsan kati. RJ Sumbang Vlog, the one I'm pinning, and this Lee Ching Chong channel. Laya Strab, hello po. Hello, mega shout out. Welcome back. Radius Boy, also 101% legit. No worries, no problem. Let's help her channel grow. Gabulol-bulol, kati. Hello guys, it's Laya Strabs, Ed's Kitchen, also sa Putada Sniper. Pakikanta ng laklak ati. Pag wala kantok, okay, laklak. Unsa ganay, kasi kay singer, ana. This time, I'm gonna slow bit, okay? So, to my songs, I'm singing because always, I'm very tired because always I get my live stream copyright or shared, no? My effort would be little useless because it's copyright. So, this time, I'll be very careful in the songs I'm gonna sing because I get always copyright, okay? RG Sumbang Vlog, guys. Lablabin si RG. RG, lablabin. Very, very legit po, friend. RG. Lichi Chong channel. Hi, Jero. Jero. Hello, baby. Love. Laya Strabs, nagbaba ng bahay. Bakas lang kayo sa Zaputhay TV. Lichi Churong channel. Hello. Mega shout out, my friend. Welcome po. Laklak tit. Okay, wait ha. Kasi kuyawan ko basin makapiright ko. Pin link done. Thank you so much, A for Kidonia. Thank you. Okay, this is A for Kidonia. Also very legit. You love also very legit A4. Okay, again guys, let's focus first on the one I pin. That's RJ Sumbang Vlog so that we can proceed to next pin. Okay, proceed to next pin, guys. Let's proceed to next pin. Thank you so much. Radius Boy, also Power Seeker Coach Lee Young channel already connected to you. Already connected. I'm just viewing your video. Finish this video. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. And now, thumbs up to your video. Hi, Kitty Princess. What's that? Nawala. No, hi, Kitty Princess. Nawala. Medyo hina yung signal ko dito. Nawala. Okay, wait. First, ha? I'm gonna read this one. Pag StreamYards ug matiyo tudloy ko dong. Hi, cutie little princess. You know you're super beautiful. I love your hair. Thank you so much. Okay, Power Seeker Coach. Also here, love Binti Power Seeker Coach because very, very legit. Okay? Lichi Churong channel. Hi, may shout out my new friend. A for Kidonia. Also, hi, my new friend. Okay, already connected, ha? A4K Danya. Okay, you proceed first, the one I pinning so that we can proceed to next. Kitchen with Romy. Hello, mga shout out, Kitchen with Romy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, RB Sumbang Vlog. Love, love, and now, huwag kalimutan. A4K Danya. A4K Danya. Love, love, and Pangandaran TV. Hi, host. Hello, mga shout out. Thank you so much. Now you have your jacket. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Salamat sa tabang nimo. Makainom na jud ko og tambal. Thank you so much, Kitchen with Romy. Nagbaba ng bahay. Salamat, salamat din po, ha? Salamat, Jose, sa Lichi Churong Channel. Okay, hi, Kuya Inatis Vlog. Hello, mega shout out. Thank you so much. Salamat po. Thank you, thank you. You connect each other. We have new friends in here. May mga bisita. We have new friends in here. A4K Donya. The one I'm pinning. Let's love, love. AK for Donya. Already connected to AK for Donya. Salamat. Pangandaran TV. Hello, mega shout out. Hi, Kayson. Kayson Vlog. Magandang gabi, Kayson Vlog. Mega shout out sa iyo. Kuya Inatis Vlog. Hello, mega shout out. A4K Donya. Love, love, and guys. Okay. Nagbaba ng bahay. Sino pang nandyan, ha? Kung hindi ko pa na-pin, please, magbaba lang kayo ng bahay para kasi hindi ko malimutan, ha? Okay, Lando Guray, nandito pa din. Love-lovein. Kuya Natis Vlog, guys, okay? Legit na legit po yan. Don't worry, no problem po yan, ha? 100% legit si Kuya Natis Vlog. Love-lovein. Maalindog, Dikitan Dan host. Wow, thank you, Maalindog. Now you have a jacket. Salamat. Rockets TV also, nandito pa din. Love, love, and Power Seeker ko. So, also dito. Ay, Rowena Mardillo! Mega, mega shout out. Salamat, salamat for coming. Thank you, Ma'am Rowena Pardillo. Rockets TV, Kuya Natis Vlog, Dan Tamsak, sabi ni Rockets TV. Hi, Jorilyn Satore! Mega shout out sa iyo, Lynn. Thank you so much, Lynn. Hello, Lynn. Thank you, thank you. Nakita ko na ganihan, Lynn. Again, Ma'am Rowena. Salamat, Ma'am Rowena Pardillo. A4K Donya. Love, love, man. Si A4K Donya. Laya Strav, nandyan. Maalindong. Salamat po sa pa-jacket host. No worries, no problem. Thank you also. Thank you. Okay, now we have a new pin already. Lichi Churong Channel. You love, 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 love the one I pin. Lichi Churong Channel. Connect, 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 guys. Because as I've always said, if you want others to support you, you support them too. Thank you all so much. Rockets TV, Rowena Pardillo, Don Tamsax, A4K Donya, nagbaba ng bahay, Malindong, nagbaba ng bahay, Rockets TV, also Love Labe, nagbaba ng bahay. Hi, Jarlyn Satori, na ikugos, kapriti ni Muti, wala noon ko kapapit. Tawiwi, kapriti ka na. Diyos ko, pwede magana kong singutan, stress man to. Hi, Lynn, thank you, Lynn, salamat, Lynn. Okay, nagkauli na dahil si Lynn. Thank you, Lynn, ha? Salamat, Lynn. Thank you, guys, sa supported Jorilyn, no? First honor dyan na shock, di ako, Lynn. Naglibog ko, Lynn. Nag-live ako, Lynn. Pagkita na ako ni mo, galibog ko. Pag-anak ko, nakanak ko, naglibog ko, saan ni Danggo ba ni? Mahalagis Jorilyn na nagkita ko mong ko atom. O, pumuntoy una na, hello, hi, hala, anak ba? Thank you, Lynn, ha? Okay, answer pa to. Hi, Cursos Live! Hello, mga shout out! Thank you so much. Okay, connected to Lichi Churong, says Little Chef. Jorilyn, ati na, pa ate flat sandal dito. Ate may unta na apay mo suot ato sayang kaayo. Oh, bilito ninyo. Bilito ninyo. Okay, sa panganan na oy. Oh, naglibog lagi kulit kay nag-live pa man ko. To, lagan sige na pag ako. Lo, nawa lagi na zuli. Libog ko ba ko? Sa dero. Moto, so dugay ni sink in. Jorlyn Satori, Downtown Sak, Rockets TV, hello! Thank you so much po! Laya Strab, hello, mega malang shoutout. Nagbaba ng bahay, Kibo, Plant Nan, says Lander Geray. Lander Geray, nagbaba ng bahay. RJ Sumbang Vlog, hello! Charles Live, mega malang shoutout! Jarlyn Satori, abdi kayo ti oo. No, believe na ko ni Mulin. Promise, believe kay ko na sharp yung kulin na dugay kinasing ito katlo. Nalugin na siya na ito. May pumanto. No? So, muna siya. Chursas Live, Downtown Success, Rockets TV. Okay, si Chursas Live din ha. 101% legit di po kayo mabubudol. Okay? And then everyone, if you are, nagtaka kayo what are we are talking about. Okay, nandito pa ba si Lichi Churong? Para maiba natin ano wait. Lichi Churong guys, the one I pinning you connect and then those who haven't connected yet, okay? Now, Lichi Churong channel lablabin. Okay, Quezon Vlog. Okay guys, hi everyone. Okay, those who are just for Lord, repeating this one, viewing this one replay. Everything in the shop, okay? Shop sale. Diyos ko, ginoo ko. Pahurot. Kung sa'yo English pahurot. Zero balance. Ginoo ko, aning Diyos. Max, thank you, Lichi Jurun channel. You are very much welcome. You are very much welcome here, okay? We have lots of friends in here, very, very supportive to me. So I know they will support you also. So if you are coming here because you want to fishing, okay? I tell you, you must connect to this Pauline person because I know they are very legit. I know them, okay? Charsas Life, very legit. Power sticker codes. Regis Boy. Quezon Vlog. RG also, it's also here. RG Sumbang Vlog, okay? Jorin Satori. Okay, you connect to that following persons. Rockets TV also because they are all legit. So if you are coming here, we are fishing. This person are very legit. I'm gonna drop link also because the one I drop link, okay, I will drop link nightboat will gonna drop link and then this link are very supportive friends. If you are coming here because you are fishing, what are you waiting for? Okay? Subscribe na. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna drop link. So again ha, lahat po ng pupunta sa shop, everything is on sale because we like everything to be clear. Yeah, zero balance, cleared. Everything cleared, okay? The chairs, the tables, and everything. So you check Sheba's Collection Max Spam page, Facebook page, because everything is on sale, okay? Then you go to shop and then everything is very low price, okay? Alright. Let's go. Bakas po, suklian ko po kayo. And then last night also, naggawa po kami ng group, okay? Sinabi ng mga tao dito, nagawa daw kami ng group kasi gusto nila, pag sila daw po, may live stream daw sila, sabi nila, gawa ka host ng group, pag may live stream daw sila, ipapaalam para puntahan din natin, supportaan din natin sila. So, if you want, nasali kayo kasi meron kayong mga premiere or meron kayong live stream, you can join our group, you can join our group chat so that if you have live stream, may live stream kayo or meron kayong premiere, sabihin nyo lang dun sa group. Don't worry ha, hindi kayo obliged. You are not obliged po to play all playlist, no? Because me also, I tell you, because I'm very busy person, I cannot view everything all the time. So, please, sabi nila, host, kagabi, host, gawa ka ng GC para tayo support. If meron tayong premiere, meron tayong LS, sabihan na natin, hello sa hindi busy dyan, pa-support, patamsak po. Ganyan lang sa group, ha? Okay, pasali ako. Okay, Jersey's Life, isasali kita, ha? Radius Boy, nandyan ka ba? Okay, pasali ako, Ma'am Shaba. Sige, ilagay nyo lang ilagay. Hi, Brian Gonzalez TV, may shout out. Okay, I'm gonna drop link ha, so that you can join ha. Wait ha. Kuan lang to ha, Diyos ko. Okay, wait. I'm gonna explain ha. Wait. Okay, I'm sorry to say I have many group, but I am not active because I'm busy person. Palati ako busy. So, hindi ako makapag-playlist sa mga playlist nila, no? I feel so guilty, but I have to be honest. So, I tell them, I cannot play all because I'm a busy person. I always go outside and then here, paperwork, chuchu. So, no. So, I said, I cannot join that group. Maybe I can view, but not playlist all. So, sabi nila kami, sige na host, magawa ka na lang ng group na pag may live stream kami or may kuan, mag-support na lang kayo. Okay, ito ha, wait ha, i-send kong link ha kasi I think pwede to, no? Wait lang ha. Okay, send ko ha, tapos i-click nyo lang ha, wait po. Hi, Sniper, hello! Thank you so much, mega shout out, you have a jacket already. Pakunik kayo guys, Kayson Vlog, the one I pin, okay? Okay, this one, I'm gonna drop link, then add to sa Gmail na mabutang code. Okay. Here, the one I'm dropping link. Okay, sa mga Philippines, in Philippines ba yan? Sakto ba? Tagalog kasi sila, or Bisaya asad sila. So, daan sa nakapin, ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am Ana. Okay, pasukli. Okay, everyone ha. Okay, just remember that this group it's up to you. You can also invite your friends, but they just telling me to. Kuya, Nating's vlog, done. Thank you so much. Okay, may binaba po ako na link. Yan po. Host, kain lang ni BG mo na. Hi, Papa Gors! It's okay. Hello, Rumi. Oh, ba't nawala itong jacket? Hello, Rumi! The one I pinning, guys. The sniper. Thank you so much. Magbaba kayo ng bahay, guys. Hindi ko pa po na-pin. Magbaba po kayo ng bahay. Okay? Kumusta po, Kaputol Vlog? Hello, dyan. Nandun si Kaputol Vlog. Thank you, Kaputol Vlog. Nandun din sa ating group si Kaputol Vlog kasi nagla-live din po siya. So, if you have a live stream also, and then meron po kayong premiere, mag-send lang kayo, hello! Pa-support naman po if hindi po kayo busy para tamsakan namin, mag-review ako. Kasi ako, I can assure you, but na pag hindi po ako busy, talagang papunta po ako, ha? Okay, Rumi, hi! Okay, magbaba ako ng bahay dito po, no? Mga Tagalog at Bisaya sila dito. But it's up to you, ha, if you want to join. Basta I tell them, you can also make your friends join also. Basta as for me, yan lang din yung way na ma-help ko. Okay, Kaputol Vlog, hello, mega shoutout. Thank you so much. Magbaba kayo ng bahay, okay? Magbaba kayo ng bahay. Thank you so much for coming po. Rumi, salamat, Sisi. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you. Okay, Kaputol Vlog, lablabin. Sino pa po hindi po na-pin ko dyan? Please po, magbaba na po kayo ng bahay. Okay, again, may ibinaba. Thank you, Mama Ana Clarissa Goodness. My house is next to Rumi. Okay, sure, sige. My house host is next to Rumi. Okay, don't worry. I'm gonna pin that one after that one, ha? Okay, please, guys, you drop your link so that I can also go to your link and can view your video also, okay? And may iba pa ako, guys, kung sinong gusto sumali daw sa group. But don't worry, hindi po ito pamugos. Pamugos ba na? Ano yung pamugos? This is not, you are not obliged. Hindi po kayo, ansa man na. Hello, Rumi! Hello, beautiful host! Okay, again, may binaba ako bagong link. Pwede kayong mag-join dan and you set your name kung ano yung name nyo dito sa YouTube. Okay? Para madali naming ma-determine kung sino ka dyan. Okay? Again, Facebook Messenger po yan. Kaputol Vlog! Love, Lias Shrag! Okay. Sige. I-pen ko pa si Lias kasi kanina pa yan. Okay, please support everyone. Support everybody. Laya Strab. Hello, Laya Strab. Salamat po. Rockets TV also. Okay, Rockets ha. Awa Rockets na ako. Gi. If you want to join here ha, mag-join lang dito. Dito tayo. O mag-chat-chat tayo dito. Kung meron kang bagong upload, sabihin mo lang ha. Okay? Host, mukha mo parang asawa ko. Baka ako yung asawa mo. Baka ba ang asawa mo? Joke. Hi, Samber. Hello, Samber. Mega shout out to you. May binaba po ako na link. Okay, pwede kayong mag-link dyan. Oh, I don't understand Tagalog well, host. It's okay, Romy. I can speak in English also. Okay, guys, let's focus first on the 118 that's Kaputol Vlog so that we can proceed to next. Para po, lahat tayo may masaya, para lahat tayo may time tayo ba? To be fair to everyone. Okay, thank you, Sniper. Salamat, Umirumi. Umirumi, magandang gabi. Kumusta si Sambar? Kaputol Vlog. Also, lablabin si Kaputol. Kalingaw, jug ka, madam. Oy! Sabi niyo, kamukha ko daw ka, kusawa mo. Secret! Ana, Clarissa, goodness! Dan, subscribe, Zamber! Okay, Kuya and Ates Vlog, Kaputol Vlog, dan dikit sa'yo, pasukli ako, says Kuya and Ates. Kuya and Ates po is very, very supportive also. Umi, drop link, Zamber, Risky, Terrils, hello! Okay, Rockets TV, nagbaba ng bahay, lablabin also. Hindi ako maka-install. Ay, okay, si Chursals, like, don't worry, Ma'am Chursals, i-add na lang kita, ha? I-add na lang kita ngayon sa Messenger, Ma'am Chursals, ha? Then, i-rename lang imuhang name sa imuhang YouTube channel na name, Ma'am, ha? Again, low storage na talaga phone ko. It's okay, Chursals Live, no worries, Kaputol Vlog, lablabin. Okay, next, we have new pin, ha? New pin, para i-next natin. New pin, Kaputol Vlog, no? Huwag kalimutan, lablabin si Kaputol Vlog. Next, Laya Shrab. Laya Shrab, lablabin po, ha? Don't worry, papasok ko si Chursals Live. Nagla-livestream din po siya. Kaya puntahe. Audio po, maikli po. Okay, maingay. Okay, maingay. Sabihin niyo ako, maingay pa. Sige, sabihin niyo, Anak Clarissa, done. So, click sa'yo. I-check daw na kung saba ba. Saba daw, okay? Thank you so much. Limutan ko, si Chursals, basag ang speaker niyo, host. Basag. Okay, wait ha. Wait, I'm gonna... That one. Still? Okay na po. Thank you. Thank you so much. Admin EJ, Layas, Strab, lablabin si Layas, okay? Again, we have group po. Audio niyo po, host. Maingay ka na. Until now, maingay pa din ba? Okay, sa messenger to, hi Ma'am Chursal, sa messenger to Ma'am, Karat Video. Karat pa? Sa Sabihin niyo lang, hindi na po, mahal kong host. Admin, hello, admin! Again po, mayroon po kaming group sa Facebook Messenger, okay? Kagabi lang po namin inayos yon kasi nagsadya sila. Pero don't worry, hindi po yun playlist. Hindi po kayo obligar na mag-view ng mga videos katulad ng ibang groups, ha? Kasi ako din mismo, sabihin ko, I don't have time really, no? So, yun. Mag-post lang kayo doon sa group if you have live stream, if you have premiere also, okay? Atin, ako i-chat mo, okay, ha? So, iputang lang inyo ang name din, ha? Para i-add mo na mo sa messenger. Para mo support ninyo. We're going to you and support you when you have live stream and also premiere. Okay, lablabin, Layas Shrub, lablabin. Dito ako sa bahay ni Layas. Layas, this is Layas Shrub, guys. Main channel, lablabin po. Lablabin po si Layas Shrub, the one I pinning so that we can proceed to next Kaysen vlog. Also, admin AJ Radius Boy. Okay, LS upcoming og new upload. Maoray pwede dito. Oo, sige, dito ha. Thanks, host. No worries, Layas. Layas Shrub. Oh, yun. Welcome kayo doon, mga Lodi. Oo, ha? Si Kaputol Vlog nandun na din. So, if nandun na kayo sa group, i-change lang yung rename nyo, kung ano yung name nyo dito sa YouTube, okay? Para madali nating ma-remember. Then, if you have ikaw, meron kang premiere. Hello mga Lords! Premiere ako in 10 minutes para puntahan namin, ha? I-thumbs up natin, mag-love-love tayo, mag-watch tayo if hindi tayo busy, okay? Lantawa akong kichat. Okay, guman ani ha? Dirit ako ni Laya, si guman ani. Oh, you know, welcome kayo doon mga Lodi. Oo, yung mga friends nyo din from YouTube, pwede nyo din ipapuntahin doon kasi mag-invite din kayo. Ha, everybody is welcome doon, okay? Make friends tayo, love-love tayo, okay? Kaysan Vlog, nagbaba ng bahay. A4 Kidonya also nandyan, ping link doon. Okay, The Sniper, hello The Sniper. Thank you so much The Sniper. Salamat po. Okay, who's still in here? Maglapag lang kayo ng bahay. Layas Shrub, nandito pa din. Kaputol Vlog, nandan. Dan po sa nakapin, says Kaputol Vlog. Okay, thank you very much. Salamat po. Yes, connect lang kayo. Connect. Okay? Okay, done po sa nakapin. Sabi ni Kaputol Vlog Horse. Hello. Nagawalang shoutout. Salamat po. Kanang night 10 ka playlist. Wag lang muna yan. Wag lang time na si host. Okay, shout. Lang ko. Pero guys, okay lang ha. Kung kayo, meron kayong time doon. Sabihin nyo lang ha na, hello, sinong hindi busy dyan ha? Depende rin ninyo. Hello, sinong hindi busy dyan? Ano ba yan? Sub to sub, yung ganun ha. Kayo na bahala ha. Harang ulit ho, salamat Umi-Rumi. A4 Kidonya. Okay, my premiere. Love daw my premiere. A4 Kidonya. Course, kumusta ang inyong gabi? Kung mabuti, dikitan mo ko, say source. Umi-Rumi, Layas Shrub, done to you, full pack. Umi-Rumi, harang ulit host. Layas Shrub, 1 week na lang po. 12 months na po ko. Ayoko nang pabutin pero okay na po. Watch hours. Wow, okay. Okay. Ano ba ang problema? Okay. Alam ko na. So you mean to say, okay na yung watch hours mo. Yung subscribe mo na lang, subscriber. Tama po ba ako, Layas Shrub? A4 Kidonya, done. Dikit, pasukli. Okay, done to you. A4 says Kaysen Vlog, you connect also. Radius Boy, ayaw lang mo panguyab. Okay, Horse, nababa ng bahay si Horse. Kaputol Vlog, nandyan. Banana na lang po. Okay, sige po. Ayaw lang mo panguyab dito sa group. Ay, Ginoo ko. Okay, Layas Shrub. Okay, I think meron akong banana dito, ha? Pero swerte na lang talaga. Karat lagi, ma'am. Karat pa daw. Karat pa? Karat pa? Sige, wait na. Sorry. Tarong muna ako. Karat pa? Kaya. Sorry. Ginoo ko. Unsang kang natil. Kaya ako na. Okay, Diyos ko lang. Karat lagi. Karat pa? Okay, wait. Karat pa? Unsang. Okay, sino pang nandyan? Namalikas. Diyos ko, nagulol ako. Okay, sino? Athena Yasha Vlogs, hello! Ipagraduate na kita 1K, dikitan mo ko ng main mo. Oh, sabi ni Athena Yasha Vlogs. Okay, guys, si Athena Yasha Vlog nag-ihip. Okay, nag-help po yan siya to make your channel grow. Kakabalo lagi ka, anak. Ginoo ko. Okay, si Athena Yasha, dikitan nyo guys, lablabin nyo. Make sure lablabin si Athena Yasha Vlogs. Bell all kayo kasi nagla-livestream din yan. And then, he can make your channel grow. Pag naay makadayon sa GC host ng balas gown. Rumi, you're wearing a white t-shirt, my favorite color. Beautiful host. Wow! Thank you, grounded ate. Namlikas ka. Athena Yasha Vlogs, nakita kita 917 na kaya ako na yan ipag-graduate. Wow! Athena Yasha, oy, lablabin mo. Asa na yan? Laya Strab, okay, lablabin mo si Athena Yasha. Oh, mag-help siya sa'yo. Sige na, ha? Okay, magbaba ako ng bahay ni Athena Yasha. Ito yon. Yehey! Lagyan ko siya now. Yehey! Thank you so much, Athena Yasha Vlog. Guys, lablabin niyo. Oh, yes. Athena Yasha Vlogs, madam, pin mo na lang siya. Lagyan ko siya. Okay, ikaw muna pinin ko para Diyos ko, nangatol na Nangatol naman si host. Diyos ko, may kuto ata si host. Babae. Okay, Diyos ko, Lord, may kuto ata si host. Okay, lagyan ko siya now. Athena, done. Says it's me. Hi, it's me. Mega Malaw siya. Pin done. Says it's me. Rumi, connect to Athena host. Yes, connect to Athena because he can make your channel grow. Sige, you connect to Athena. The one I'm pinning, guys, you connect because he can help your channel grow faster. Okay? Laya Strab is only have a problem. He have a problem. He said, tulog ka maaga ngayon. Bukas, promise, 1K ka na. Oh, diba? Lord. Oh, very supportive Athena Yasha. Okay, don't be sad, Laya Strab. Diyos ko, Lord. Nabasa mo ba yan? Tulog kang maaga ngayon. Bukas, promise, 1K ka na. You go! Athena Yasha Vlogs! Lablabin! Mark TV also nagbaba ng bahay. It's me, Atararan! Okay, Radios Boy, pa-help din po ako, Athena. Laya Strab, bukas 1K na yan. Huwag ka na magpapagod at magpuyat. Okay, Jason Vlog, Athena Yasha, Dan Dikit, dati idol. Very good. Athena Yasha, Dan, please sub me back. Again, Athena Yasha Vlog is helping Laya Strab, okay? He's helping Laya Strab. So please connect to Athena Yasha Vlog because very supportive friend, okay? Athena Yasha Vlog can make your channel grow. So what are you waiting for? You connect to Athena Yasha Vlog. Radius Boy, kapag 900 ka na, puntahan mo ko kahit anong video. Promise, bigyan kita 100 banana. Rockets TV also nandito. Love, nagbaba ng bye. Samba Ritzky Tiralis, pakiclick ang aking link, sabi ni Zamba. Jason Vlog, nagbaba ng bye. It's me, Val Parmais, already done. Hi, Madam Ruana Pardillo. Oy, thank you. Oh, you see that ha? Athena Yasha, my member ha? O, diba? Yesha Vlog is very supportive to me. My bronze member, 3 months sa pala ko dito. Ha ha ha. You go to Atina Yesha Vlog. Okay, my member, my very supportive member, 4 months na pala. Di ako marunong ng ganyan. Kung paano yan may words first ba, hindi ko marunong. Paano yan? Hindi ko marunong yan. Power Seeker, hello Power Seeker codes. Very supportive friend. Please connect. Also my member, also Atina Yesha Vlog. Thank you so much. Beautiful ho, see her, say mahal. Di ka nagpapamember eh. Wait, I have, sabihin ko sa'yo, bakit ha? Sabihin ko sa'yo. Hindi mo sinabi sa akin na hindi pala, wala palang member pag iPhone. Talaga naghanap ako ba? Sabi ko, ano problema nito? Ba't hindi ko makamember? iPhone pala. Hindi ko alam yan. Hindi ko saan naman yun. Nalipog dyan ko. Hindi ka nagpamember eh. Mukhang pa problema ka. Diyos ko, Lord. Hindi ko alam. Oo, wala pag iPhone. Oh, hindi ko alam yan. Talagang naguguluhan ako kasi marami akong gustong supportahan din ba? Tapos naglibog ko, bakit hindi ako makamember sa kanila? Tapos parang nasisayahan ako, new member, ganun po. Paano yan? Sula, naghanap ako. No? Kalas na lang kay super chatter na, naghanap ako. Wala man. Sas, Diyos ko, matagal lang, mga ilang days ko lang alam, di pala pwede sa iPhone, Diyos ko. Ba't wala man kahit isa nagsabi hindi po this iPhone, ay? Athena Yesha Vlog, salamat, pumunta na ako sa bahay mo. Okay, puntahan natin, Athena Yesha Vlog. Mukhang may problema daw ko. O wala, pag iPhone. iPhone 13 Pro Max kasi phone mo, masilan yan. Hindi, wala talagang kahit saan ako pumupunta. Sabi ko, hello, gusto ko po sana mapamember. Bakit hindi ako makapamember sa'yo? Walang kahit isa nagsabi na, ma'am, baka iPhone, wala. Ako tuloy, sabi ko, ano bang problema nito? Ba't ginanon ko yung channel ko, what's the problem of my channel? Sabi niya, if iPhone, no member. Hindi mo sinabi, uy, ako, wala iPhone, ako lang. Okay, guys, everyone, the one eye painting, you focus first on the one eye painting. Noong una, di ko rin alam, nalaman ko lang sa Android lang pwede. Oo, no? Wala talagang nagsabi sa akin. Sinasabi ko talaga, may isang, ewan ko, nalimutan ko, sabi ko, ma'am, gusto ko sana magpa-member sa'yo. Kaso, ba't hindi? Walang member, sabi niya. Hello, tinuruan na nila ako, sila tanan, yung time nila ba? They already teach me, okay, pumunta ka dyan, subscribe, at chuchu, pa-member ko. No member, walang member. Wala talagang kahit isa na sabi, iPhone, no. Wala, no? Athena, pasukli po, sis Radios po. Madam, di maganda phone mo, donate mo na lang. Wala talagang nagsabi. Uy, grabe mo na. Athena Yesha, salamat. Okay, si Athena Yesha, when ka mag-LS Athena Yesha para puntahan din namin. Di ba guys? Puntahan natin. It's me, Dan. Dikit dati idol, says Kaysan Vlog. Ako, di ko ka-member, ate. Oo, bakit di ka ka-member, okay? Again, Athena Yesha Vlog, my member also very, very supportive to me. Can make your channel grow. So what are you waiting for? Waiting for you subscribe. Pin already sub now. More video, like, comment. Say her, Sema. Thank you. Thank you, Sisi. Kaputol also nandito. Di ko ka-member ati Android. Okay, radio si Lablab na kami. Lablab na kanya. Tina kay tabang na ba na si radio? Umi, Samber, it's kitiras done to you. Full pack says Umi, Kaputol Vlog. Nagbaba ng bahay, sir. Sema, nagbaba ng bahay. Oh, so yung iPhone mo baka naman. Oo, ito talaga kasi, Philips pinakita, no? Pinakita talaga ang bugira. Ang bugira. Ito talaga main ko. Main cellphone ko. Tapos, yun. Tapos, wala ba? Yung parang maglakad lang kami ba? Tapos may naka-LS na parang nasisiyahan din ako ba? Especially morning. Yun lang din yung time ko ba? Ganun ako. Sabi ko, hello, why hindi ako maka-member? Kahit isa sa kanila, kahit na parang I think mga 10 minutes nila, no? lahat ng time nila nandun sa akin kasi tinuruan nila ako paano mag-member. Ni wala kahit isa na nagsabi na iPhone, hindi pwede. Kaya wala, hindi talaga na-resolve yun. Dark Mark, done, dikit sa'yo with Bell, says Kuya and Ate Vlog. It's me, Kason, like, comment, sub dyan. Again, guys, the one I pinning, nagtutulong siya. Okay, it can make your channel go, grow, monetize agad, monetize, no? Monetize. So if you want your channel to monetize, you go and talk to Atena Yesha Vlogs, the one I'm pinning. The one I'm pinning, the one I'm pinning. Atina, pasukli po, says radios. Okay, nagsusukli yan ha, don't worry, okay? Oh, Diyos ko, Lord. I'm so sorry. Okay, Rockets TV, nagbaba ng bye. Bye! Okay, long vlog. May mga shout out. How are you, my friend? Thank you so much, okay? Again, Atena Yesha Vlog, okay? Facebook page also, meron din yan, no? Daddy, alright. Rockets TV, pa-help din ako, Atena, says Rockets TV. Kita na ka sa akong gichat, ate, okay, basahin ko. Okay, Layas Shrey, hello! Nag-love na ako sa'yo, okay? Nag-love na ako sa'yo. Dark Matter, I like, comment, subscribe dan, sabi niya. Okay, love din ko. Long vlog. Okay, magbaba lang kayo ng bahay dyan. Love natin. Again, guys, the one I pinning, you go love, the one I pinning. Kung gusto niyo pang ma-monetize agad, or any problem sa inyong channel, puntahan lamang ang ating nakapin at Tanayasha Vlogs. He can help your channel, okay? My member and very supportive also. Devasan ka pa. Sana all, diba? Okay, sige pa. Okay, sino pang nandito? Oh, ba't na iba naman to yung picture ng YouTube bomb? Nag-start tayo. Okay, wait ha. Okay, hindi ko pa mabasa ha. Okay, Laram, hello, Laram. Yes, thank you so much. Magbaba ka ng bahay. Parang may, hello? Sabihin nyo lang ha, kung parang may echo. What happened man, oy? Rockets TV, nagbaba ng bahay, the sniper, hello! Sabihin nyo lang halan ay ungo. Nadinig nyo yun? Hello? Oo. Ano siya naman? Ramsky TV, harang host. Thank you, Ramsky, sa paharang. What happened? There's a monster. Ting, na ako'y nadunggan na niikok ka. Thanks, host. Tagasan ka, host. Hello, Raya Strap. Thank you so much. Laro, magbaba ka din ng bahay, ha? If you want your channel to grow faster and then monetize agad-agad. Okay, Atena Yesha Vlogs, nag-help po siya to make your channel grow agad-agad. At tulungan niya si Laya Strap also. Ramsky TV, mga shut up! There's a monster. Oh! Hello? Oh! Okay, Naren! Cervantes, thumbs love. Thank you so much for the thumbs love. There's a monster in here. You hear that? There's a monster. Niiko lagi kati. Okay, you heard that monster? Hello, Jaro Genital Mix Vlog. There's always monster in here. Hello, thank you so much, Tia Sibana Vlog. Nanarabami group. Gichata kagabi, gitext kagabi. Atina, tulong, me. Oh, very good. Oh, you're so cute, Umirumi. Atina, yes siya. Umirumi wants also your help, Atina. Okay, there's a monster in here. Welcome, monster. Atina, very cute, Umirumi. Atina, tulong, me. Text day kagabi, ati, oo, because ikaw man to, di ba, magpa-add ka. O, ni-text ko nimo, kaya unta ka, di man ka makita. You're very cute, Umirumi. Thank you so much, Umirumi. Okay, please support the one I pin. Atenaya siya, please support. Okay, magtulong siya na to make your channel grow. So please lablabin, okay? And now we have new pin already, lablabin guys. If hindi pa ako yung nakalablab sa ating nakapin. Okay, Tiyo si Bono Vlog. Mark, thank you ako Facebook. Uy, di jud ko makakita. Wait ha, di jud ko kita. Okay, Radius, ikaw ko ni-add niya, Radius. Kanang butang niya, no? Ikaw ko ni-add niya. Dili ko ka-add jud. Nadyo iko ati. Okay, thank you so much, Radius. Ikaw add niya, Radius, ha? Thank you so much. Connect. Okay. Done. Pin done says it's me. Pin done. Omirumi, is this your main channel? Says it's me. Long vlog. Shoutout Rockets TV. It's me. Done. Thumbs up. Atenaya siya vlogs. Nandyan ka pa. May tanong din ako sa iyo. Atenaya siya vlogs. Nandyan ka pa? Power Seeker, thank you so much. Power Seeker goes the one I pinning. Guys, you focus first on the one I pin so that we can proceed to next. Quezon vlog na baba ng bay. It's me. You're wearing my white t-shirt, my favorite color host. Wow, thank you. Oh yeah, you like this one? Nirvana. Thank you, Mirumi. It's me vlog. Paki-like. Salamat po. Comment po sa YouTube. Salamat po. Okay, nagbaba ng bahay si Kaputol Vlog. Lablabin po natin. The one I pinning. Thank you, Mirumi. You also drop your link so that I pin you next, okay? The one I pinning, guys, you proceed. You focus first on the one I pin so that we can proceed to next so that everybody happy. You help me, I help you. Also, we grow together. Atena, yes, nandyan ka pa. Atena, yes, lablabin ka namin. Meron ako sabihin sa iyo. Kaputol Vlog, paki-like and comment pa sa YouTube. Okay, bye guys. Sleep na me. Says Kuya Natis. Bye! Thank you so much. Meron po kaming group sa Facebook, ha? Meron kaming group sa Facebook. If may live stream kayo or may upload kayo, pwede nyo po kayo mag-message doon sa group namin. Kagagawa lang kagabi para suportaan namin kayo. Don't worry, hindi po yun playlist, ha? Okay, Mr. Rans TV. Hello. Mega shout out the one I pinning. Don't forget the one I pinning so that we can proceed to next. Mr. Rans TV is also a very good live streamer. Power Seeker goes, please. The one I pinning. The sniper. Hello, the sniper. Okay, Radius Boy. Hello, Kaputol. Ayan, guguan na ni Kuan. Itiyo si Buano Vlog sa group. Ayan, gugu, please. No, it's me. This is my main. Says Umirumi. Rockets TV also nandyan. Mr. Rans TV. Dan Tamsak. Harang ulit host. Thank you, Umirumi, sa paharang. Okay, salamat. Thank you, Umirumi. The one I'm pinning. Okay, if you haven't connected to the one I'm pinning, guys, everybody listen to me, okay? If you are not connected to the one I'm pinning, okay, then let's proceed. You connect and then let's proceed to next, okay? Ano to, tiway man ni ko. Sa ko kay Baudong. Kuya Juan, gali ko dong. Kuya Juan, gali ko dong. Sige, pag-eko. Done po. Thank you. Wala po ako 300 subscriber. Ate, wala pa ko. Okay lang, ha? Okay lang. And then si Ate Naya siya, manghatag siya 100 banana. Makahatag ko banana, pero pitira manggamayaan ni. Uy niya, usasad. Mas maayo dito sila, no? Kapit naghanan nila mga banana. So, Ate Naya siya, lablabin nyo, guys. Di na nagsukli. Magsukli ran na siya, ha? Mag-iwan lang kayo ng bakas. Mr. Rans TV, hi, Mr. Rans! Ma'am Shife, also Radius Boy nandyan, no? Umirumi, lablabin. No, this is my main. Okay, we have new pin. Umirumi, lablab. Umirumi. Umirumi, lablab. Umirumi, guys. Puntahe. Thank you so much. hello, mega shoutout! Di na po ako sinuklian ni Atenea siya. Okay lang magsusukli yun, ha? Nag-help yun, don't worry. Friend ko din yun sa Facebook. Please, 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 okay? Lias Vlog, paki-like the comment pa sa YouTube ko. Okay, please, please, okay? And then, sino pang may alam dyan yung di me friend sa FB? Okay lang, sabihin ko, ha? Friend me sa FB. Okay, Umi, Rumi, hello, good day, ho. Shout out to us, si Zula Gibson. Hi, Zula Gibson, shout out to you. Salamat pa. Thank you for coming, my TP. Nagbaba ng bye. Ramsky TV, hello, Ramsky. RG Sumbang Vlog, Dan Dikit, pasukli po. Maraming salamat, maganda host. No worries, salamat po. Di na nagsusukli siya, magsusukli yun ha, magsusukli yun. Don't worry, sabihin kita. Magkita-kita tati, gian na ka sa group, gian na si Tio si Buano sa group. Okay, gian na siya. Okay, Umi Rumi here. Umi Rumi, already connected to Umi Rumi. Just watch the video first, okay? Thank you so much, but already connected. Power Seeker Coach, very supportive friend, Power Seeker Coach. Gabiin, naghimo na mi o group, ha? Naghimo na mi o group Tio si Buano, na nami group Tio si Buano. So, if ever na kay live stream or if ever na kay new upload, pwede kayo nimong paibawaan minimo kay pasinog di may busy mo tamsak niya. Hi, lang vlog! May wala shoutout sa iyo! Hello! Thank you so much! Salamat po! Chat taon niya, TOK! Pin link dance! Is A4K link! Okay? Okay, Radius Boy! Salamat, Radius Boy! Omi Rumi! Okay, you connect to Omi Rumi first. Okay, Papa Gorge Vlog, you also connect the night boat is dropping pakatag sila ads at unsa? A4 Kidonya sa premiere. Okay, lablabin ko si A4 ha. Hi Kuya Dars. Thank you Kuya Dars. Welcome Kuya Dars. May gabi Kuya Dars. Okay. May premiere daw siya. Okay, in 24 hours notify me. Okay, already thumbs up. Okay, guys, you thumbs up also ha. A4 Kidonya, my premiere. Maraming salamat host. Lias Rob, no worries, no problem po ha. Ganina ako diri ba? Hi Kuya Dars, thank you. Thank you Kuya. Ate, chata after Celeste mo. Okay dong, sige dong, chata dong ha. Bawal ba ang sub to sub ate? Wait sa, okay? Ako, before nag-sub to sub ko, and then nalagas ko. So what I did, ako nag-sub to sub. Pag ako mag-sub to sub, nalagas gyapon ko. So, narananan mo, ako mag-sub to sub magyapon ko, mag-sub to sub gyapon ko. So, ikaw narananan mo ha, basta mo to. Akong gibuhat, ako nag-sub to sub, mao gyapon lagas. So, lagas is real good, maski unsaon. Lias Trap, thank you so much! A4 Kidonya, already connected to you ha. Okay, shoutout Katugis. Hi, mga wala shoutout! Thank you so much, Shine. Nandito Dan, thumbs up host, thumbs up Dan host. Thank you, Shine. Salamat, Shine. Harang ulit, magandang host. Thank you, Umi Rumi. The one I'm bidding, it's Umi Rumi. Okay, so Mona, based ako experience, baski asa ko nakadungog, lagas sila. So lagas is real. Umi Rumi, thank you so much. Good day ho. Shout out to us, si Zula Gibson. Power Seeker Coach, hello Power Seeker Coach. Takla. Rockats TV, nagbaba ng bahay. Kuya Dars, hi Kuya Dars. Kaputol vlog, lagas is real. Oo nga, kahit anong iwas ko, kahit anong take care ko sa channel ko, ganun pa rin talaga, naglalagas. Kaya, wala na lang, no? Nagbabayad na lang ako ora mismo kasi ganun man din. Hi! Ay, pwede lang ta mag-sub to sub sa. Ako, nag-sub to sub ko, malagas. Mag-disab ko mag-sub to sub, malagas. So, mauna siya. Narananan mo, ha? It's up to you, basta mo to. Lagas is real, mas kinsaon. Umi Rumi! Hello! Takla, Vex! Hello, Power Seeker Coast! takla. Diba? Ang beles. Katugis! Hi, Katugis! Thank you so much, Katugis! Magbaba ng bahay si Larum TV. Larum, hi, Larum! Yes, you drop your link. Dapat kasi panoorin muna yung video kahit 3 minutes lang bago mag-sub para walang lagas. Very good. Okay, yan talaga yung proper. Kaya guys, alam nyo yan si Power Seeker. Talagang yan yung ginagawa niya. Watch first at least 3 minutes of the video. What is that boy's host? That is takla. That is takla, umi-rumi. You know what's takla? That's takla, takla. Alright, that's my signature. Takla, takla. Alright, alright. Oh, yeah. Okay, umi-rumi, you're laughing. Hello, hello. Hi, Sabutay TV. Welcome, welcome back again. Hello, 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 lalags ko. Katugis, hi, Katugis. Okay, may echo ta, takla, horse tip. No. This is takla. This is takla in Cebuano. In Cebuano, this is takla. That is my signature voice. Shine dance says Katugis. Alright. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, nagbaba ng bahay si Larum TV. Lablabin natin, guys. Please. Okay, natawa si Sa. Kalami ba ng takla? Oy! I see, it's so funny, maganda host. Yeah, hello, Umi-Rumi. Here in Cebuano. Okay, this is a very trend here, takla. So this is takla. So when they say takla host, I said, alright. Okay, dance. So nakapin says Katugis. Thank you, Katugis. Katugis dance. Samsak, sabi ni Rockats TV. Ako host, mabagal magdikit 3 to 5 minutes. Wow! Like, comment, and dikit or lagasin ni Lolo. Sayang effort natin. Malagas lalo na sa load. Very good. Takla ulit host. Okay, takla ulit. You like takla also, Mirome. You like takla also. Okay, you practice takla. Okay, naalagi awat sa imong tingog. Ati, nadunggan ako. Okay, very good. You also do that takla, okay? So that you do live stream here. Takla. Okay. Thanks, Rosa Mapin. You're very much welcome. Kanina, bakit gusto ipin? So, siguro hindi mo nadinig, no? Kasi nag-watch talaga. Very good, Larum TV. Very good, Larum. You laughing. Very good, Larum TV, because she watched at least 5 minutes of the video. That's why she returned back again and then watched 5 minutes. So, very good. Very good, very good. Let's clap all together. Hands. Again. Clap to Larum TV. Okay, takla. Alright, takla, everyone. You do it yourself there, okay? If you very master in takla, okay, you do while you are typing here. If this is the way you takla, very, very loud and clear. If not, boo! Okay, mauro ba nang ginabuhat sa mag-web ng takla? Ikaw na nag-ingon na. Mr. Rans TV, nagbaba ng bahay! Okay, Mr. Rans TV, guys, very, very, very amazing live streamer also. Sipotay TV, hello. May kamalang shout out to you. How are you there? Hello, takla there, takla everywhere. Okay, Tia Simona Vlog, dance so cliche, shine. Laran TV, Shine, thanks. Susuklian kita. Wait ka lang. Kaputol vlog, pwede rin yung mga ninja yung pangsukli ninyo. Basta manood lang ng video. Saputay TV, hello, Saputay vlog. Paki-like ta, comment pa. Sabi ni Tia si Buano vlog. Shine, Laron TV, daan sa'yo, pasukli pa. A4 kay Donya, pin link none. Very good, A4. Shine, Laron TV, salamat po. Shine, Kaputol vlog, nagbaba ng bahay sa Putya, hello. Hi, Yuki! Hello, may kamera, shoutout, Yuki! Okay, Rumi, Zumbari City Resi said, you are so beautiful and asking, are you single? He's in chat at wow. Okay, you tell him, I'm double. I'm double. More likely, triple. Hello, sister. Hi, Yuki. Thank you so much for visiting me. Mega Malo, shout out to you. Hi, Jobber. Thank you so much, Jobber. Mega Malo, shout out to you, Jobber. Salamat. Okay, salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Boy Kawan Vlog, shout out Lons. Mega Malo, shout out host. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Umi Rumi, thank you so much, Umi Rumi. Okay, you do it. Takla, okay? Support po, host, mga lods. Ingat po lagi. Salamat po. Thank you, boy. Thank you so much. Okay, double and triple like Whopper. Yeah, I am double and most likely it's also triple. Expert na kita takla eh. Because that is my signature sound here, okay? Say power secret, always sing. Okay, takla, uli-ulios. Okay. Okay, you do it like that, okay? And then you also, while you are typing now, you also practice takla if this is very good. If you are very good, okay? If your voice when doing takla is not loud and clear, boo! You practice more! Okay, host, alam mo yung takla sa Kapampangan. Because they also tell the takla also is bowed, upaw kuno in India. Is that true? In India, takla is upaw. I will for basics. Umi Rumi is doing takla face exercise. You Chinil coming live, my friend. Hi, Ma'am Sang TV, Mega shout out. I will for face exercise. We exercise in the face. Okay, let's do this. Let's do the exercise, everybody. Let's exercise. Hi, friends, vlog, Mega shout out. Hi, FabQ, Mega shout out. Okay, Room TV, the one I pinning, guys. Puntahan sila Room because I'm gonna view your video also. And later on, we're gonna face exercise. Okay, we're gonna face exercise later on. All together, we will takla everybody. Ramsky TV, pababa din ng bahay. Salamat po. Takla sa Kapampangan kita eh. Diyos ko lang. Oh my gosh. Okay, Cleon Vision, nababa ng bahay. Hello, shout. Thank you so much, Larom TV. Please support. This is Larom TV. Hi, Friends Vlog. Mega shout out. Love din si Friends. Nandito si Friends Vlog, guys. Love man. Okay, thank you so much, Larom TV. Main channel. Love din. Already connected to Larom TV. Bell all ako sa kanya and just give thumbs up to the video, okay? Please drop your links and then love. Takla, wanna sleep, maganda host. Okay, no worries. Okay, you exercise that one. We do that together, okay? When you wake up in the morning, then you takla. Pang 49 thumbs up. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much. All together, let's takla everybody. when you wake up, you face exercise. Takla, takla. Okay, thank you so much, Romy. Thank you so much for coming. Larom TV ha. This is Larom TV, guys. Okay, salamat. Just bawal magsalubong. Painitin saka palamigin para di lagasin ni Lolo. Bawal sub to sub. Need ni Lolo organic pero mabagal tayo makadami. 10 minutes up, pwede na masukli pa rin. Wow! Very good. Uy, gatakla po mo ni diti. Katugis host, pag ako mo takla, hulbot na yung dila. Diyos ko, Lord! Boy Kaon, shine, hi, shine! Boy Kaon vlog, Fred's vlog done, says Boy Kaon vlog. Okay, sino pang nandyan? Lablabin natin si Katugis. Lablabin natin si Katugis. Okay, asan ng City? Oy! Ala, si janitor. Unsa galit mo ang kuan? I-add na si janitor kay mura gabi. Dili ta ka maad. Message ta ka. Di ta ka maad. I-check daw. Si janitor sa Europe, guys. I-add ninyo radios. Okay? O si, sa pato? Please, i-add ninyo ha sa group. Asaram ng GCT. Oy, hi, Shine. Thank you. Layas Trabelo Katugis. RJ, okay lang, Sisi. Sorry, busy ako, Sisi. Nabut ako ng ticket ko. Wow! Hello, okay lang, ha? Don't worry. No? Just relax. Okay lang, Sisi. Ha? Do your thing, ha? Always naman ako na ng live stream, ha? Shout out, host. Thumbs up na. Okay, Dr. Roslyn. Okay, please connect. Lichi Chorong channel. Hello, Jobert Daginod. Hi, Jobert! Nawala na gyud ang GC nato na plan. Uy, naggama na mi gabi, di ta ka maan. I-check good purag ni message ko nimo. Naggama na mi, no? Again, guys, naggama na mi. Meron na kaming group. Shine. Okay, thanks you, brother. On the way says Clewan Fishing. Jobert Ginod, Shine, done full back with bakas. Hi, Migaya Sisi. Hello. Mega lang shout out. Thank you so much for coming. No. It's okay. Okay, Radius Boy, i-add na si i-add na si janitor sa Europe. I-add siya sa group, no? Kay gabi, din ako siya ma-add. Pin link done, says A4K Danya. Boy Kaon, nandito. Vijaya Cooking and Beauty Channel. Laglabin, Boy Kaon, vlog done, says Katugis. Shine, nagbaba ng bahay. Unsay name sa GC ate? Okay, mag-drop ko ron ha. Okay, ako i-drop ha, kadit sa. Okay, mag-drop ko lang or add na lang ko. Okay, ata ka, unsa gitay mo ang name kay dili lagi kan. Itaraw murag ni message ko nimo. I-check ha murag ni message ko. Kaputol sa Kampangpangan kay kapatid kaputol. Kampangpangan maudi. Ay, kapatid vlog, very good. Okay, now I understand, kapatid. Friends, vlog ng baba pa rin ang bahay. Hi, Fred, Shine. Also, lablabin, guys. Nandito sila, Jobart. Also, janitor sa Europe. Lablabin natin, guys. Dili ka maad. Maurag mauni. The last man standing Magallanes. Awaha, murag ni kuan ko ni mo. Okay? Wait sa ha. Okay, hana ako ikuha na link din ha. Mao ni amo ang group ha. Okay, Ramsey, hello Ramsey TV. Salamat Ramsey. Thank you po. Freds Vlog also nandito din. Lablabin po natin ha. Lablabin si Freds. Okay, very supportive din yan si Freds. Jobber, thank you. Katagis on the way. Liwan Fishing host, I love you, beautiful. Wow, thank you so much, Liwan Fishing. Thank you so much. You support ha. Katugis, the one I pinning, guys. She show some love and support. Boy Town Vlog, salamat. Layas done. Ambot noon unsa ning ako ang settings? Oo, murag gichata ka, murag gichata ka niya. Awahan ako i-drop na link. Kani akong gi-drop na link mo na sa Messenger, ha? Mao na sa Messenger. Pwede ka mo apilaan na, okay? Mao na gabi among himo, gi-add ka na mo, dili ka ma-add. Okay, please, Dr. Sharat host Dan Tamsak, thank you so much. Tiwol fishing like brother kaputog kapangpangan manggod ako wife at timo kay balon ako. Okay, kabi mo din na kapatid. Okay, the one I pinning guys, Katugis, puntahan natin sa Katugis ha, puntahan ko si Katugis, okay? Don't forget to give host thumbs up Dikit if you haven't Dikit. And then dito ako kay Katugis, si Katugis, Dikit na kami ni Katugis, Dan na din ako dito, nakakita na ko ano. Thank you so much, Katugis. Okay, next, let's go to Shine. Let's go to Shine, guys. Unsay pangan sa GC? Sign name sa GC te. A YouTube fan. Kundi, murag i-chat ko nimo gabi murag i-chat ko nimo, murag nakabantay ko ni chat ko nimo kay di man ka maad nya. Ningon ako, hello, murag ni ana sige ko ato. Okay, dara ni-chat ko, ni-chat ko, tanawa. Okay, ni-chat ko, tanawa imuhang spam messages. Asa ang link? Okay, ako iubos ang link ka, tanawa. Na ako i-chat diri sa group chat. Tanawa, dira ba? Na ako i-kuha na, tanawa. Padong na, send. Okay, kana, mao na siya. Okay, let's go to Shine, guys. Katugis, dito pa ako watching your video again, Katugis. Okay, let's proceed to Shine, guys. The one I pinning. This is Shine. Hello, Shine. Dito. Shine. Hi, Fred's Vlog. Also, lablabin si Fred's Vlog, guys. Lablabin si Fred's Vlog. Okay, connect lang kayo dyan. Connect. Everybody. You're very much welcome, Shine. You're very much welcome po, ha? Okay, everybody is welcome to join here. Shine, guys. The one I pinning, this is Shine. Okay, Shine. This is Shine. Lablabin to Shine. Hi, Shine. Shine. This is Shine channel. Okay, I'm gonna watch your video first before I love to you, okay? Friends Vlog, hello, meron shout! Dan, full pop sa nakapin, Shine. Okay, Friends Vlog already connected to you. Thank you so much, Katugis. This is Katugis, guys. Very supportive friend, Katugis. This is Katugis. You go to Katugis because main channel. Love, Katugis. Friends Vlog also, our dear friend, please love it. Gonna drop link also my members and very supportive friends, and mostly here our live streamer, you also supported them, okay? Very supportive friends, so I know they support also. Katugis done sa nakapin, okay? Shine, Katugis already done to you, okay? You return back. Thank you so much, Friends Vlog. Hello, mga shout friends. Okay, again, I'm gonna drop link to my members. Dan Tamsako, Single Gaming TV. Hi, mga shout. Thank you so much for coming. Okay, please connect to this person that I'm dropping. Nightlook is dropping because these are my members and very supportive friends, which I know they support you also because they're very supportive to me. Thank you so much, Katugis. Nang baba pa rin ang bahay. Lamlamin Zola Gibson. Hello, may mga shout out. Katugis nandito. Sa Puthay TV. Hello, Aris MVP. Hi, may mga shout out. Thank you, Ani. Salamat, Aris. Okay, don't forget to give host thumbs up, Dikit, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, okay? Let's grow together, guys. Let's help each other. So what are you waiting for? You connect. Everybody, you connect, guys. Fred's Vlog is also nandito. Aris, hello, welcome, Megalosha. shout out to you. Thank you so much. The one I pinning. Shine, shine, shine. You go to shine and then everybody, those I have not pin yet. Okay? Please, drop your link. Drop your link. Okay, now let's have a new pin. Fred's vlog. Connect, everybody. Okay, this is Fred's vlog, guys. This is Fred's vlog, the one I'm pinning already bell all to him, and then later on, I'm gonna thumbs up this one. I'm gonna watch his video first, okay? Please, guys, the one I'm pinning, you go support Fred's vlog. We have new friend, Fred's vlog support, guys. Hello, Shine. I'm already connected to you, Shine. Okay, I bell all to you. I hope you do the same. Thank you so much, Shine, for coming. Katug is here watching your video still. Hi, Single Gaming TV. Hello, my God. Shout out to you. How are you? Katug is on the way pa. Lablabin. Kliwang Fishing also nandito. Lablabin. Okay, Ramski, you drop your link also, okay? Katugis done. Pasukli po. Says Ramski po. Lablabin niyo po, okay? Katugis para sa iyo. Wow, so sweet. Uy. Shine, hi Shine. Salamat host. No worries, no problem. No, everybody is welcome here. Thank you sa parang Ramski. Salamat Ramski. Okay, Lichi Chuan. Chana namin. Shout out. How are you, my friend? Hello, how are you? Saputay TV. Hello. Thanks, hello. Thank you so much also, Katugis Fred's vlog. Guys, connect kayo kay Fred's vlog, ha? Ating friendship yan. Sa ati, thank you so much, Radius Voice, Vijaya, Cooking and Beauty, love, si Vijaya. I drop link of Vijaya. Vijaya CC is very supportive. Please support live streamer also. So, please support Vijaya. Vijaya, okay? Host, I love you, beautiful. Lito. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We connect each other so that I get notified to your video also, and then I get to support you, love, and support you always. Okay, Cleon Fishing. Hello, mega shout out to you. Thank you so much. You focus first on the one I pin so that we can proceed to next. Vijaya Cooking and Beauty channel, a very good live streamer also. Are there CC, very supportive. Si Saputay TV, hello, on the way. Thank you. On the way, says Vijaya. Saputay TV, Vijaya Cooking Channel done. Say Saputay, Ramski TV, nagbaba pa rin ang bahay. Lablabin natin yan mamaya, ha? Katugi, Single Gaming done. Tamsak, I know. Single Gaming TV, Katugis done po. Pasukli po. Salamat. Radius Boy, hello Radius Boy. Host, no. Okay, hello, why no? Power Seeker Coach, very supportive friend, my member and very supportive friend. Please connect to Power Seeker Coach. Fred's vlog, the one I pinning, you focus first on the one I pin. Let's go first on the one I pin. Please guys, okay? First, the one I pin, Fred's vlog, okay? You support him and then later on, if you are done with Fred's vlog, let's go to under. Tarungan sana kung settings ako. Okay, sige, no worries ha. Basta nag-message ko ni mo. Basta na sa spam mo. Ano mo nakita ha? Big fan, Madam Tam sa Kaivex! Thank you, Ramski TV. Done on the way. Pa-mission guys, sa mga dumikit, matik balik, says Fred's vlog. Thank you so much, Vex. Okay, Fred's vlog, guys. Fred's vlog. Dito ako kay Fred's vlog. This is first vlog. Focus, I love host. Oh, Cleon Fishing. You focus. I love host. You love me. Cleon Fishing. Hello, mega shout out. Thank you so much. You connect. Okay, again, Fred's vlog, guys. You go to Fred's vlog. If you haven't connected to Fred's vlog, please, this is Fred's vlog, guys. This is Fred's vlog. Main channel, bahay niya. Okay? Main channel and bahay na. And then, okay, next pin guys. Let's go to Ramski TV. Ramski TV guys. Love-lovin natin si Ramski. This is Fred's vlog ha. Fred's vlog. Okay, I'm gonna tamsak ha. Wow, very nice. Very, madami tamsak. focus, who's okay? You focus also, okay? Are you focused in there? You also focus in there? Okay, focus everybody. The one I pin. Katugis, thank you so much. Thank you po host. No worries, Fred Vlog. Maliit na bagay po, okay? Ramski TV. Let's go to Ramski TV po. This is Katugis also ha. This is Katugis. I'm viewing his video. Okay, this is Katugis. And now I'm going to Ramski TV. Ramski, this is Ramski. Wait. Okay, this is Ramski. Yay! Harang pa ako kay Ramski. Connect everybody. Okay, Ramski TV, I'm gonna view your video first, okay? And then later on, I'm gonna love to you, okay? Dikit-gitit. Lap trip, malaking itlog nakita sa lugar namin sa Tabugon. Ay! Oo, para nakita ko yan. Oo, nakita ko yan, kuya. Unsa to, kuya? Nag-wonder sa ko, unsa to, kuya? Murag kita ko nga nasa news, kuya. Okay, Kuya Dars, also you love, Kuya Dars. Main channel, love, si Kuya Dars. Vijaya, also Vijaya Cooking and Beauty channel, main bahay, love, because nagla-livestream din siya. Ramski TV, this is Ramski TV, guys. You go to Ramski TV. Wow, beautiful host, rambut kuning. Okay, Shine. Also, nagbaba pa rin ng bahay. Love, si Shine. Zula Gibson, Katugis, nagbaba ng bahay. Fred's Vlog. Dito ako. Okay, please drop link everybody sa who I've been... Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Ostrich. Diyos ko Lord. Pero kuya, mangutan na ko. Ingon ato gid kadak ang itlog sa ostrich. Nato gid kuya. Mao gid to siya. Maura gid to siya. Okay, please connect guys. Fred's Vlog, Katugis, Shine, Clewan Fishing, nandito. Fred's Vlog, Power Seeker, salamat po. Connect lang kayo dyan, ha? Connect lang kayo dyan and then just drop your link so that I can visit your house also. Single Gaming TV, hello. Thank you so much. Ramski TV. Okay, Ramski, are you still there? Hello, Ramski. Nandyan ka pa? Dito ako sa bahay mo, Ramski, ha? Okay, dito ako sa bahay mo, Ramski. Dito lang ako sa puso mo, ha? Joshua. Thank you so much, Fred's Vlog. This is Fred's Vlog, ha? Thank you. Oh, skip mo talaga. Thank you so much. Just ka Lord. Okay, Ramski TV dito. Okay, next. Clewan Fishing. Go to Clewan Fishing, guys. Support. Okay? Support tayo. Salamat ko kung may bawaan unsay parusa. Patay, yes ma'am. Ingon ato jud siya sa taga Cebu Safari. Walay na ay nakuha og permit to. Hala, patay. Okay kuya. Taga Tabugon day ka kuya. Taga Tabugon ka. Okay, thank you sa Butay TV. Hello kuya, taga Tabugon day si kuya. Clewan Fishing. Yesterday connected to you, sis Power Seeker. Okay, may grupo kami ha sa Messenger. Kagabi lang po, nag-request kasi sila na magawa daw tayo ng group. Doon na lang kami pag meron kayong premiere or meron kayong live stream, doon lang kayo. Hi, don't worry, hindi yun playlist ha, because ako din mismo, ako na po magsabi, wala po akong time doon ha, pasensya na po. Pero it's okay, everybody is welcome din po there, okay? Everybody can support everybody, so just tell them that, hello, I have live stream, or hello, meron akong LS, ganun ha. May gabi lang kami nagawa ng group messenger sa GC sa messenger kasi sila yung sabi, magawa kami ng group, pero sila you are welcome na mag-invite din kayo ng mga friends nyo yun para pag meron kayong mga premiere or LS, pwede kayo magsabi, okay? Para supportaan natin. Di ba nasa Team Hearts ka rin? Oo, hello friends! Oo, friends. Kaso, nahihiya ako kasi wala akong time mag-play all. Wala akong time kung ano lang yung magpapapap. Ako kasi, friend, nag-bell all talaga ako. Kaya, pag sino lang yung example, at this time, hindi ako busy, tapos ganon, may premiere, di ba? Nakapunta ako one time sa premiere mo, yun. So, ayun, okay, same tayo. Oo, nahihiya ako. Wala akong time sa ganyan. Ako na talagang mismo magsabi. Kaya, hindi na lang ako nagpaparamdam kasi nakakahiya. Kaya, yung mga group natin, yung group namin, pag streamer ug maati ha. Okay, Radius Boy. Hello, Katugis! I already pin you a while ago. I hope someone is connected to Ramski TV. Okay? So again, friends, yun nga, friends, nahiya ako sa kanila, ha? Though gusto ko yung group nila kasi super, super active sila. Kaso lang, ako na talaga yung nahiya sa sarili ko. Hindi kasi ako active sa mga playlist kasi I'm super busy, okay? Again, meron po kaming group sa GC Messenger, ha? If you have premiere or if you have live stream, puntahan natin, mag-thumbs-up kayo or hindi kayo busy, mag-support lang tayo, okay? Ransky TV, Dan, full pack, dikit sa'yo, idol, sa friends, wow! Saywang Fishing, hello, sa Power Seeker! Ramsky TV, Fresh Vlog, Dan, dikit, pasukli po! Okay, sige, sure, Ramsky, anong Facebook, kuan mo, para isali ka? Radios, are you still there, Radios? Are you still there? Si Freds, sino ba yun? Si Ramsky TV, sali daw siya para may premiere kayo guys ha. Don't worry ha, mag-support lang kami, okay? Mag-support kami, especially din ako. Pag hindi ako busy, promise. I can assure you, pupunta ako. Pero pag wala ako, meaning may ginagawa ako ha. Ganun lang din naman kasimple, okay? Clewan Fishing! Hello, yesterday, connected to you, brother. Check, comment, and return. Yesterday, you gone. I commented and mentioned here also, brother. Yeah. Okay, yan. Okay, sige. Screenshot ko yan yung pangalan mo, ha, para mamaya i-add ka namin, ha. Screenshot ko yan yung Ramel. Okay, sige, Ramel, ha. Okay, after live stream, Ramel, ha, you check your inbox, ha, pag mag-one, ha, kasi promise, ha. Kasi kagabi lang din naman yung namin na gawa yung group kasi may nag-request yan, okay? Again, Clewan Fishing. Hello, Clewan Fishing. I have to tell you something that I have my dear friend, supportive friend, Power Seeker already connected to you last night, okay? You return back to Power Seeker because he's very supportive, I tell you, okay? Rami, okay, sige, go. Okay, sige, Ramil, okay? Okay, Johnny, Magna, shout out! Ako palagi na premiere lang ga. Wow! Okay, sige, sure. If ako, nagsabi na ako nito ha, kasi nasa sa inyo na if gusto nyo mag-join. Kasi ako din, wala ako time sa mga playlist. Okay? Doon sa group namin na ginawa last night, Ramil, kasi host, wag niyo una. Daming pangalan, Ramil eh. Thank you, host. Okay, Clewan Fishing, return to Power Seeker ha, because supportive friend, okay? Supportive friend and brother, so please connect to him, okay? I tell you, very supportive Power Seeker. So please, connect, support Power Seeker guys. Okay? Thank you so much, Kaputay TV. Anong name GC nyo? YouTube fam. YouTube fam. Okay, Katugis TV, thank you so much. Hindi po, you are not obliged ha. Promise, hindi tayo obliged doon kasi ako din mismo, ako very busy. Have a great day, Sira Katarina. Okay, sure, single gaming. Sige, magbaba ka ng bahay. Magbaba ka ng bahay ha. Katugis also nagbaba ng bahay, lablabin. Okay, sir. Hello. Mega shout out to you. Yes, please connect ha. Katugis, the one I pinning also. Clewan Fish. Okay, Ramsky TV. Nagbaba na ng bahay. Okay? If hindi naglablab kanina sa pinin ko si Ramsky, lablabin. Friends, vlog on the way sis Clewan Fishing. Okay, Clewan Fishing also Power Seeker ha. Done yesterday connected to you. And then, okay, please connect to Power Seeker cause I'm gonna drop link Power ha. This is Power also. Okay? Thank you so much. Salamat. And then everyone, please drop your link single. Hello, single. Please drop your link also. Kaputay, hello! How are you? You're not busy there? Thank you so much, Kaputay. Thank you po. Oh, sali mo ako sa GC niyo. Sige, i-drop ko ang link ha. Ito yung link sa GC. Ito yung link, no? Mag-drop ako ng link ha. Ito po. Saglit. Okay, we have new pin single gaming TV. Okay, wait. Okay, we have new pin single gaming TV. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna drop link. Hello, sis Vijaya. Hello, sis. Thank you so much, sis. Okay, katugis. Nakoy gi-drop na link. Mo na among GC din ha. Gabi ilang na ginahimo ha. Pwede ra mo invite inyong friends ninyo din ha na inyong friend na sa YouTube, okay? Mag-friend tang atong aim din ha ug namoy premiere, ug namoy view upload ato ang itamsak or i-love na to, suportaan na to ha. So mo na atong aim ana na grupo. Okay, ha, sali ako sa GC nyo. Okay, nag-drop ko ng link katugis. Wait, drop na ko balik ha. Magkuan mo din ha, okay? Sali kayo dyan, okay? Support tayo lahat. Love tayo na. Drop ko na link. May drop ako na link. Love-lovein nyo yan, okay? Single gaming guys, puntahin! Okay, single gaming TV. Love-lovein po natin. This is single gaming. Oh, already connected to you. Single gaming TV. Bell all already. Okay? So I'm gonna watch your video. I'm gonna thumbs up this one. I'm gonna watch your video first. Okay? Just Clark. Don to Ramsey. Says Radius Boy. Thank you. Okay. Please keep on fishing. Hi, you're dancing. Oh, salim ako sa GC niya. Okay, katugis na nakasod ka katugis kasugat oy. I'm so sorry. Okay, Papa Gors, hello. Sugat oy, Diyos ko Lord, sorry naman. Buto lang galit. So excuse me. Okay, Papa Gor, please support everybody. If you want other support you support them too. Okay, salamat po. Thank you so much. Connect single gaming TV also. Dan, share your live stream. Maganda. Oh, thank you, Mirumi. You are so sweet. Thank you for sharing, Mirumi. Salamat po. Thank you for sharing. Salamat. Okay, guys, the one I think this is single gaming TV. I'm gonna watch your video first. Okay, gonna watch your video first, and then I'm gonna drop link. Single gaming TV. Laya Strab says done. Okay, nagbaba siya ng bahay si Laya Strab. Okay, nagbaba ng bahay. Love, man. Single gaming TV, night boat, thanks. Okay, Clearwood Fishing, connect to Power Seeker, okay? We already connected to you. Salamat! Thank you po, salamat po. Okay, please connect everybody nandito. Please connect. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, single gaming, please connect po. Radius Boy also nandito, lalabin. Sa Putay TV, hello! Thank you for BG. Salamat po. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much po.
Thank you very much.
Okay, love lang tayo lahat. Power done, very good. Thank you so much. Liwan Fishing, power done. Thank you so much. That's good. Salamat po. Okay, done. Share sa imong FB. Thank you so much, Radius Boy. Okay, done. Connect everyone. to join here, just drop your link and host will be the one to handle. Laram TV also, please guys, very good Laram TV. She watched 5 minutes of the video so that no more lagas, no more mukbang lolo, okay? So please connect to Larom TV. Okay, Larom TV says Clewan Fishing done, connected to you. Power Seeker Coast nandito pa din, love man. Okay, please connect everybody. Single TV, single gaming. Salamat po. Larom TV, okay, thanks you, butter on the way. Okay guys, everyone, please connect everyone, connect everyone, and then you please drop your link, okay? Master Provinciano Dandiki. Everybody, okay, if you have a premiere or whatever, please drop your link so that I can pin again, okay? Please drop your link, guys. So that I still have time here so that I can pin you again. Please, because no one is dropping. I pin you, okay? Connect everybody. I have some things to say, so take it on the way and listen to me, You have to seize my sense, release me with intent. It is not easy, please me. Laya Strap, Dan Pasukli, say single gaming TV. Okay, pinin natin ulit si Ramsky TV kasi I think kanina saglit lang kasi akala ko nawala si Ramsky. Ramsky TV, puntahan natin si Ramsky TV. Laya Strap, also nagbaba ng bahay. Sisi Vijaya. Okay, letter okay. Sisi Vijaya, Katugis. So, hi Katugis. Wala pa din mo natulog din ha. Gaon saraday mo din ha. Okay, Vijaya, also very supportive friend and sister. Please support, okay? Please support these people because very supportive to me. That's why I support them also, okay? Please, Ramsky TV, guys, the one I'm pinning, you go love Ramsky TV. Thank you so much, Sisi Vijaya. Live streamer also, Sisi Vijaya. You go to Sisi Vijaya live streamer also, okay? Thank you so much. Salamat po, sis. Well, hindi pa kayo natulog dyan, Katugis. Ano pang ginagawa nyo dyan? Ano pa? Okay, Clewan Fishing, Larom TV, done, full pack. Wow! Tinaw man ang Bisaya, host. O mag-English, wag ba eh. Okay, Ramsky TV, ganihan, gipin kita, pero ay tutmanggod, nagtuog ko, wala na ka. So, mo to kadiyot ra na pin. Sige, pin, kagbalik, ha? Unya. Okay, everybody, if you're not connected yet to the one I pin, you go to the one I pin. Katugis, hello Katugis, thank you so much. The one I pin. Hello Indonesia, Clewan Fishing. Hi, you connect to Ramsky TV. Power Seeker Coach, you also go to Power Seeker Coach because very supportive friend. So I support her also. Please go to Power Seeker Coach. He has a premiere also. Love. Love, Power Seeker Codes. Okay, Ramsky TV, guys, let's focus first on the one I pin. Ingon ana man maot dali ra ipin, joke. Just like. Okay, Power Seeker Codes, nandito Vijaya Cooking and Beauty Channel. I go to Sisi Vijaya so that you see Sisi Vijaya also live streamer. Very beautiful, Sisi Vijaya. Okay, Sisi Vijaya sa premiere also. Love Sisi Vijaya premiere in 98 minutes. Okay, please thumbs up ha. Wait ha, gotta drop link also. Salamat pa. Thank you so much, V. How are you tomorrow? I'm fine tomorrow. Thank you tomorrow. Katugis, why are you crying? Hello, hello, hello. Shut up. Guys, you go to We Creation, you connect to We Creation, drop your link, We Creation, you go to We Creation, because amazing live streamer, many people in there, so you go fishing. Tomorrow, live stream, tomorrow, We Creation, you go to We Creation. How are you tomorrow? I am fine tomorrow. Thank you tomorrow. Okay, Lias, hello, Katis Mix Vlog, mega shut up. Thank you so much. Thank you tomorrow. Okay, all right. Lias Rob and John Paden. Love Ben, guys. Love Ben host. Okay, why are you crying and then happy and then heart eyes and then heart again? What happened to your Cleveland fishing? Are you okay tomorrow? You know ang host. Okay, how about your link with Christian so that I can pin to you tomorrow? Okay, again, you go to We Creation, because amazing content creator and also live streamer. Also, you go to We Creation. Hi, Katings! Mega shout out, Katings! Joey Katugis! Stays We Creation, John Kennedy, Ramsey TV, Don. Okay, now we move to We Creation. Hi, Katings Mix Vlogs! Nagpapaka ng baya. Okay, you go to We Creation, guys, because very amazing live streamer. Many people here fishing. Good and beautiful. Okay, Katings Mix Vlog. Okay, good and beautiful. Good and beautiful now or tomorrow. Okay, one. Good and beautiful now, Cleveland, or tomorrow. Okay? Hello, Katings Mix Vlog! Mega shout out to you at Master Provincia. John Dikitan says Laram TV. Okay, thank you so much, Cleveland Fishing. You are happy and then shy and then very happy again. Okay, I'm gonna drop link also. Okay, dropping link. DC Bisaya has a premiere also. Please love the one I drop link, because you give thumbs up. You give thumbs up to CC Bijaya because very supportive already. Thumbs up, and then I please you go to CC Bijaya. Okay, CC Bijaya premiere in 94 minutes. Love man. Okay, CC Vijaya. This is CC Vijaya sa premiere, the one I dropped link also. Please go to CC Vijaya, show love and support you. At least thumbs up, okay? Thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much. Ang baba ng bahay, si Cleveland Fishing, Sira Katarina. Hello, Katugis, John, Kennedy, Dan sa'yo. Says Katugis. Okay, Cleveland Fishing, tirime kasi bacha chuchu. Katings Mix Vlog, always beautiful si Hus. Hi, Katings! Thank you so much. I'm gonna drop your link, okay? Pa-play sa song na Lucky Ate. Okay, Lucky. Magkanta tayo ng Lucky today. Always beautiful si Hus. Hi, Katings! You also drop your links, okay? Hi, Arcadio at TV. Megalon shout! Thank you so much. You go to the one I pin, guys. You go to the one I pin because amazing live streamer. You go there and fishing. Many people in there, okay? You go and fishing to Sir We. Amazing content creator and also a live streamer. Don Katugi says We Creation. Okay, please connect my dear friend Power Seeker Coach. Megalo shout. Radio Spy says We Creation. Okay, connect lang kayo dyan. Connect, okay? 2 hours ng Lekati. Okay, mag-lucky na ko, Rona. Mag-lucky na ko. This song is dedicated to you. Okay, wait first. Okay, after. Okay, this song first also, okay? You connect in there, okay? I'm gonna sing a song dedicated to Bix. And then after this one, you're lucky, okay? Okay. Alright, wait first, okay? Okay. Is Bluetooth is ready to kill? Okay, is Bluetooth is ready to pound. Okay, connect everybody, ha? Thank you so much, Dito. Hi, We Creations is Radius Boy. Okay, wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Okay, this song is Dikitan the Vex, right? Wow, wala ba kayong kamay dyan? Okay, after this one, for you, Regis Boy. Okay, this is for Vex. Now what first? Sana all. Just go, right through. Just hard. Hamare, do your words I speak before you make you think that the love I have for you will see no ending. Well, if you look into my eyes, then you should know that you have nothing here, no doubt, nothing to fear. And you can lay your questions down, cause if you hold me, so we can fade into the night, and you'll know the world could die and everything may lie, still you shouldn't cry. Cause time may pass, but longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. This song is dedicated to Big Sprott. Take my hand and gently close your eyes so you could understand that there's nowhere love tonight and right up for you. Well, if you feel the same way for me, then let go. We can journey to a garden no one knows. Life is short, my darling, tell me that you love me, so we can fade into the night, and you'll know the world could die and everything may lie, still you shouldn't cry. Cause time may pass, but longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Ay, kune-kune kayo dyan, ha? Bye! Hello, Thanks Miss Black, Daron TV, hello! I want you to know the world could die and everything may lie, still you shouldn't cry. Cause time may pass, but longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Forever by your side. So you won't cry. Just cry. Thank you tomorrow. Okay, kamusta ka dyan? Kamusta na? Ay, Diyos ko, dati hindi kita sa kapin. Thumbs up. Okay, Lara Room TV, thank you so much. Okay, sino ba nandito? Magbabala kayo ng bahay dyan. The one repeating, We Creation, Love It, Reduce Boy, nandito, Katugis. Host, may upo ka ba? Okay, Lara Room TV, thanks, host, Leong Fish, and hello. Shout out to you. Thank you so much, Larom TV. You go to Larom TV because you know what? Very, very good person. She watched 5 minutes of the video before connecting to you. So that is very good, okay? She watched 5 minutes of the video before she connects. So, very, very sure. Katugis, Dan, sa nakapin. Thank you so much, Katugis. Yes. The one I pinning, guys, love-lovin nyo po because content creator na, live streamer pa, you go to week creation, guys. You go there fishing. Okay? Palagi ako pumupunta dyan, nangingisda ako dyan. Punta din kayo dyan, okay? Okay, nagbaba ako ng bahay. Okay, these are my very supportive friends and members also. Love-lovin sila, okay? They support me, so I know they support you also. Ramski TV, Dan, so nakapay. Okay. Okay, Katugis, hello brother, says Kliwan Fishing. Katugis, nagbaba ulit ng bahay, Larong TV. Hey, we creation ito bahay ko, sabi ni Larong TV. Okay, you guys to Larong connect to Larong TV also, Katugis, ha? Very, very legit person and we creation also. You go there and fishing, just like me. I go there and fishing. Okay, thank you so much. You connect each other, guys. You show some love and support. Let's support, grow together. Connect.
I have some things to say, so take it on the way and listen to me, You have to seize my sense, release me with intent. It is not easy, please me.
Okay, Power Seeker Coach, thank you so much. Salamat po, Katugis. Laya Strab, hello Laya Strab. Thank you so much. I'm gonna pin you again, okay? Laya Strab, also please love-lovin po si Laya Strab kasi konti na lang mag-graduate na si Laya. So love-lovin natin si Strab. Yes. Okay, I think my connection is very poor here. Okay, love everyone. Connect, support. Yuri, the endless Dan, Dikit, Pasok, says Ramsey. Hello, Ate Manilin Cabrera. Hello, Dan. Good evening, Dan Damsak. Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Ate Manilin. Salamat, Ate. Okay, Ate. O, paday mo nang tugin ng Ate. Nagunsa ka, Ate. The endless Dan, Dikit, Pasukli po. Okay, again, the one I pinning week creation. Content creator, live streamer. So you go there, fishing also because I also go there. Love also there. Have many fishing. Oh, yee! Says Kliwan Fishing. Okay, Katugis, nagbumba ulit ng bahay. Love-lovin. Okay, I'm gonna drop link. These are my very supportive friends. Kating, hello Kating. Are you still there? Hello. Shout out to you. Salamat Kating sa pagpunta. Bijaya also sa premiere mamaya. So, love-lovin natin si Sisi Bijaya. Okay? Papagor also. Kabons also. Mag-love tayo. These are my very supportive friends and members and I know they support you also. So, love. RB Kakao also amazing live streamer. Love also. RB Kakao, Ermin, very supportive to me. That's why I supported. Host, kaon ka na. Kaon ko man ang lalabs. Host, kaon ka na ba? Kaon ka muna lalabs. Ay, kasweet. Okay, kasweet. Ano? Yes, tapos na ako kamain. Before ako nag-livestream, kumain ako. Thank you. Kliwan Vision, Nirvana, Ghost. Okay, you like Nirvana. Nirvana. Una na. Hello, the sniper. Thank you so much, the sniper. You dropped me. Tug na kurot dami. Agi lang po. Thank you, Ati. Thank you, Ati. Salamat, Ati. Good night. Thank you. Hello, the sniper. Thank you so much. Recreation, amazing content creator, and also live streamer. You go there fishing, okay? The sniper. Hello, the sniper. Okay, mega love shout out to you. How are you? Are you not dropping your link, okay? So that I can pin you. So please support Katugis Dan to you. Says radios. Bye. Love everyone. Connect. We creation. The one I'm pinning radios. Boy, also very supportive friend of mine. So let's support also radios. Bye. Okay, salamat we. Thank you so much. Please drop your link. Salamat po. bahay. Wag babae. Nasaan ni baba ng bahay? Thank you so much, Power Seeker Coach. Power Seeker Coach. Sa premier also mamaya, lablabin din natin ang premiere ni Power Seeker Coach. Mamaya, punta ako. Sisi Bajaya also here. 82 minutes. Thank you, Sisi Bijaya. Thank you so much, Sisi Bijaya, Power Seeker Coach. Tisoy Vlog, Papinho. Salamat. Hello, megala shoutout, Tisoy Vlog. Salamat. Please connect everybody. Connect. Okay, Selos, Pakus. Who? Silo, Pakus. I think you're talking to focus, right? And then what's that, Silo? Okay? Focus. I said you focus first on the one thing so that we can proceed to our other friends who are in there, okay? First, you go first, the one pin. Katugis, thanks, Radius Boy. Thanks, Radius Boy, says Katugis, okay? Okay, thank you so much, Power Seeker. Thank you. Okay. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, today. Okay, week creation, guys. You go to week creation. Oh, you are connected to week creation. Oh, saan yung FB nyo sa GC? Okay, yung FB ko. Ito. Sheva Daryl Escobedo Macasero. Di ka pa nakakonect? Hindi pa? Not yet? Okay, Radius, you go. You go. Radius, Sheva Daryl kung gusto ni Katugis, isali mo siya sa GC, okay? Again, no playlist, okay? Because me also, I cannot do playlist, okay? I just be honest. I'm telling the truth that I'm very busy person, that's why I cannot do playlist. But I will support whenever I don't have any things to do here, okay? Anytime I support. Even though I'm walking, even though I'm in the car, I support, okay? No problem. But playlist, I can't promise, okay? So yes, Radius Boy, Shiba Daryl Escobedo Macasero. Yeah, okay? So we have group chat, messenger, because they said if you have premiere or if you have live stream, you just send link there. Support anytime, no time. Support anytime, but no time. What happened to these people? Okay, support. If you want others to support you, you support them too. Okay? Support anytime, but no time eh. Alright, Isoy Vlog, nababa ng bahay. Thank you so much. Ate, chata ha after sa LS mo. Okay, sige pa. Okay, support. If you want other support, let's support them too. Support. Kira. Okay, thank you so much. Hello, Tisoy Vlog. Kumusta naman ka dyan? Kumusta ka? Okay, wait for a minute. Ay, kaping mainit. Okay, is this your main channel na? Main bahay? Hello, Siri Katarina. Hello, mega love shoutout. Wow, you are very beautiful. You are very beautiful eh. You are very beautiful. Okay, can you connect also? If I pin you, can you click also? Okay, Laram TV. Alakbay, vlog, done. I think hindi yan nasusukli, ma'am. Sorry, mama. Sorry, kaya hindi ko yan pinin, mama. Sorry, ma'am. Na-stress na ang chutoy ni host is support. Okay. Sana ba yun? Okay, main channel niya. Okay, we have new pin already. Yes, na-stress na ang chutoy. Na-stress na ang chutoy. Uy, wag ba? Okay, Tisoy Vlog. The one I pinning, Tisoy Vlog. Blah, ben. Okay, thank you so much, Larong TV. Thank you always. Mas lingaw pa yung ilis gabiti. Wala siyang lingaw karon. Okay, thank you so much. Support everybody. If you want other support, you support them too. Okay, Tisoy Vlog coming on the way sa bahay mo po. Thank you so much po. Okay, this is Tisoy. Nagkatawa, kung gabi, ilis ni mo. Asa man ka nagkatawa ato? Uy, you are a singer, Tisoy. You're a singer, missing singer. Hi, you're a singer. Okay, it's one. Oh, like a dream come true. Thank you so much, Pamela de Estrada. Come all meet Phil de Estrada. I always go to your live, okay? De Estrada, I always go to your live also. And then I also message in there even though you cannot see that. Welcome, host! Okay, SBI Music. Hello, wala itong gipakita ni mo mga ay kanta, ate. Wala siya. Murag wala siya karon. Murag di si Don to, Don Pacondo. Thank you, Familia Estrada. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much.
I also go to your live stream, but it's like a rabbit. It's very fast. I think you have not seen my message, but it's okay. Okay, I support you also. You support me, I support you also, Pamilya de Estrada. Thank you very much. Pag naa si Don, malingaw ko sa ilis ni mo. Okay, wala si Don, di ikaw lingaw sa ilis na ka. Diyos ko, Lord, SBI Music, mega shoutout. This is Tisoy. Wow, Tisoy talaga. Tisoy Vlog. Hello, Tisoy. Si Tisoy. Dito si Tisoy. Please subscribe, friends, and support me. Okay, this is Tisoy Vlog. Lablabin po si Tisoy Vlog. Salamat po. Power Seeker, thank you so much. This is Tisoy the Sniper. Hello, the Sniper. You have not dropped your link, no? So please support. Okay? Tisoy Vlog. Tisoy Vlog. Lablabin, guys. Okay, na-stress and tutoy ang bugad. Sukon na. SBI Music, hello! Thank you so much for coming. Mega shoutout to Soy Vlog, the one I pinning. Guys, you go to the one I pinning. Siri Katerina, hello! If I pin you, you're not walking away. It's okay. I pin you. You also supported them. It's okay? Thank you, Single Gaming TV. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. My first live show next day ago YouTube channel is ready to share. Okay, sige. Okay, this is Tisoy. Okay, why are you crying, Katugis? Why are you crying? Hi, darling Mac. Rich Buang. Hello, Rich. How are you? Mega shout out to you, Rich. How are you, Rich? Thank you so much for coming, Rich. Salamat po. Mayong gabi, host. Guwapa, mayong gabi. Isa din na, Rich. Salamat, Rich. Tisoy Vlog. This is Tisoy Vlog, the one I pinning, guys. Already connected to you pala ako, Tisoy. SBI Music Single John says SBI Music. Radius ba ito inyo atong gipalit nga shop or gaabang ramo ato? Gaabang rami ato. Rich Buang, okay ra, buhi pa, still buang. Very good, I like it. Okay. SBI Music, subscribe ko, friends, and support me. Okay, sige. Love, yes. Okay, si Layas Travis, ha? Please, lablabin niya. Kasi legit friend natin yan si Layas also, ha? Tisoy Vlog, Layas. Okay, Tisoy Vlog, done, says Layas Trap. Okay, June TV. Hello, kagwapa ni host. Mega shoutout, June. Thank you so much, Jun. Salamat po. SBI Music, Layas Dan, says SBI Music. Tisoy Vlog, salamat host. No worries, Tisoy. You're very Tisoy. Tisoy Vlog, thank you, Tisoy Vlog, for coming, ha. Thank you po. Already dikit to you, but okay, watch ko muna and then I thumbnail, okay? Ati, wala sumpay, nagtutok, tuwinit, nga prank ni Muti. Daghan pa kayo nagsumpay, pero sige lang, napa ha? Ingnan rata ka, napa na. Katugis, why you're crying? June TV, hello, thank you so much for coming. Nirvana, great man. I listened to their music. Yeah, very great man. Thank you so much. Okay, please drop link everyone so that I will pin you if I haven't pinned yet. June TV, thank you. Also, thank you for coming. Salamat po sa padaan dito. Maraming salamat. Allergic ko ano ho sa takla. Uy! Ala! Wala nang takla. No more takla, okay? No more takla. Okay, no more takla. Okay, please. Layas Vlog. Dan Dikit says Tisoy Vlog. Power Seeker ko. Hello. Power Seeker ko sa... Okay, no. Not you. Okay, no, not you. No, Katugi says no more takla. Says no, he's allergic in takla. Okay, no more Katugis, no more takla to you, okay? Okay, thank you so much. much. Thank you so much. No power sticker. Bye, Jaya. Hello, CCB Jaya. Okay, Katugi, salamat. And thank you, thank you. No. Okay, it's only Katugi. She's no more takla. Okay, Bijaya has a premier love Ben. Okay, salamat po. Thank you so much po. Salamat po. Okay, CCP Jaya, the one I dropping night book, dropping, please support them. If you want others support you support them too. Okay, thank you so much. Salamat po. Tisoy Vlog, nandyan pa din. Please drop link, especially your premiere. Please drop link so that I can pin, because I only have 10 minutes. Please drop your link, guys. Salamat po. Thank you po. Okay, sino pang nag-connect dyan? Okay, Single Gaming TV, Tisoy Vlog, done, full pack. Okay, Power Seeker Coach, hello, thank you so much. Katugis, nagbaba ng bye, love-lovin, si Katugis, ipin ko ulit si Katugis, ha? If you haven't connected Katugis yet, please connect. Please support my premier friends. Okay, I'm gonna pin this one also, ha? Okay, please support CCP Jaya, guys, here. I'm still here, CCP Jaya. CCP Jaya, done. Dikit sa nakapin. Salamat, Laron TV. Okay, guys. My cellphone will shut down. Just Lord, wait. My cellphone will shut down in 21 seconds, okay? I think I have to go because now it says battery is low. Your device will shut down in 30 seconds. Connect charger. So I think I say bye-bye, okay? 10, 11, 9. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. CCB Jaya Premiere. Okay, bye-bye.